Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.
And the one I get men of you I am old enough to know what is good for me. I will not allow anybody to force me to sit at home. What do I do? When I'm going to sit at home, I do want to buy them online. No, I sit at home. So you need to force them to sit at home. I don't have to force them. I'm going to want to online. Uposun for those who watch Monday, no come again. After I come, when it's working. Mbana news. Makanese mo poti on Monday. When I get one man to without time in a police. If you any man, message the name but nine and over by force. Obodum kage jime stories that touch the heart. Umwazi obi na dro mma. Ma putadi ilo na Monday. Baya na mu ifi obo mo kwanya ti abaja. Mama. Iya fun ni ilo na Monday. Orugo no my appointment mo na gi wen na Monday. If Monday can I be here. If Monday can that appointment I go cancel. Live the answer. Oh, what a boy, you will protect also. Get it. I can't go on and go to a much not at all. Bubble many have. Just for you, I am a you don't know say you sit at home. Or the one that was sit at home. Ima afumoto nilo. Ima afumoto mkoya bam. Mo ko ke fu nilo na Monday. Moi. Hadi mwenye mwaye mpa. Hadi mwenye mwaye mpa. Giwa na simputilo na Monday. No worry for name. Ami no binaka ndi. Police no binaka ebe. DSS kuginiru. Civil defense kuginazu. Mputakita. Achiri menje Michael na nje Gabriel na nje Lilo wep bilo. Kupa ni baje nanya atamati opia.
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.
Ikemba rise. Ikemba rise. On November 29, 2015, our people declared Ikemba state in the United States of Biafra. Mumuna, listen. Roads are broken, schools without roofs, so farms they suffer no more than two. So but now we stand to declare our state. Equitable funds come direct, no debate. Clean water flow, light for every home. Clinics rise up, youth skills we own. Investors call jobs right here, we create Ikemba develop.
Matter on 29th of November 2024.
From hills of Obochiogu to Ezu rivers flow. With Obizi as capital, proud and strong. Managed budget well, make every Ikemba belong. Transparency now, public voice they loud. Service charges, fair safety in the crowd. Local men and women understand the land. Roads, schools, peace, all in our hand. All in our hand. All in our hand. Ametiti amofe anani ezu dunu anauzu ide north ide south to obizi o family ogboki ogushine okotu umuri umuowele all divine, each county, each district unique and bold, resources and talents, our story told. So farms they suffer, no modern tools. So, but now we stand, declare our state. Equitable funds come direct, no debate. Clean water flow, light for every home. Clinics rise up, youth skills we own. Investors call, jobs right here we create. Ikemba development, no more way. No more way. Ikemba rise, one people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise, from need to victory. Make the voices high, build our future bright. State of Ikemba, we claim our rights. Our own state house, leaders we know, from hills of Obokyogu to Ezu rivers flow. With Obizi as capital, proud and strong. Manage budget well, make every Ikemba belong. Transparency now, public voice they loud. Service charges fair, safety in the crowd. Local men and women understand the land. Road, schools, peace, all in our hands. All in our hands. Amofe, Anani, Ezu, Dunu, Anaus, Ideno, Idesa, Obizi, Ofemili, Okboki, Ogushine, Okotu, Umuri, Umwawele, all divine. Each county, each district, unique and bold. Resources and talent, our story told. He said, Ikemba rise, one people, one purpose, hey, one destiny. Yeah, Ikemba rise, turn promise to reality. So let's raise our voices, build our future now. Ikemba state, forward ever, backward never. Imunai, join the call. Biafra forever. Ikemba rise, rise, rise. Ikemba rise, rise, rise.
Actually matters. On 29th of November 2024, the people of the state of Ikemba, that's the heart of the old Anambra region, stood tall and declared our own state in the declaration of the United States of Biafra. This isn't just talk. It's about real change for us. Stick around. I'm breaking down why Ikemba needs this and how it changes everything.
Schools
Let's
need
go.
fixing and farms. They are stuck in the past without proper gear. But as our own state, we get direct access to that equitable share, grant and national funds. Boom! Clean water for every home. Reliable electricity, new health clinics, and skill center for the youth. We will attract investors, create jobs right here, and build the infrastructure we deserve. No more waiting on faraway decisions. This is us taking control. Who is with me? Picture this, our own state house with leaders who knows our land inside out.
From the hills of Oboshiogu to the riverbanks of Ezi with Obizi the capital.
They will handle the budgets, collect service charges fairly, and make sure every gem goes to schools, roads, and keeping us safe. Transparency, it's baked in public meetings. No more hiding deals. We will have real accountability because these folks live here too. It's governance that feels like family, not some distant thing. Ikemba isn't just one spot. It's a family of counties and districts, each bringing their vibes. It's time. The state of Ikemba needs your support in the final push for total liberation. Your talents, ideas, and passion are urgently needed in the government. Let's work together to build a brighter future. A big shout out to our incredible citizens of the United States of Biafra, both in the diaspora and at home, for your tireless effort and dedication. We are connected, one heartbeat pushing for progress. So let's make it happen. Raise your voices, build our future. Ikemba State, one people, one purpose, one destiny. Turn needs into wins. Join the movement today. Together, we are unstoppable. Omunna, my brothers and sisters, welcome to the new dawn of Ikemba State in the United States of Biafra. We are not just talking change, we are living it. Our leaders, elected by us, for us. No appointments here, pure people's power. Let's meet the team building our strength. Under the visionary leadership of Onyendu Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, our unbreakable leader, the man who started this fire for justice and sovereignty, and guiding us daily, His Excellency Ekpa Simon Njoku, Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra. He's steering the ship toward full independence. At the helm, guiding us nationally, Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Rabueze, our Deputy Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra. She's the visionary pushing for our sovereignty and growth. Right here in Ikemba, leading with heart, Her Excellency Nwada Dunu Nkiruka, our elected governor. She's all about development from roads to schools. By her side, His Excellency Prince Dominion, Deputy Governor, the powerhouse ensuring every voice is heard and every plan executed. For security and pride, General Alaboso, Commander of Ikemba State, protecting our land and people with honor. And staying connected, Maazi C Global, Commissioner for Info and Telecoms, spreading our story, building our network. These are our elected champions, not appointed, but chosen by you. Together, they are the strength of the nation. Ikemba rises. Join the movement. Strength of the nation.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We are here again. Today, we are going to have this program together with the Ikemba State officials. They are here with us, and I don't know if they are ready for this program. I can see that some people are here. Please, can I have your permission? Her Excellency is here, I think. I saw you here just now. I don't know if I see here. Yeah, I think she's here. And the deputy, of course, is here as well. Please, I'm gonna give mic to you, so you are the one to tell me when we shall start, or do we need to still wait more? I don't know. This is 14 minutes to the hour.
Okay. Am I coming out?
Yes, you are. We can hear you.
I don't know who that is on ground now. I don't know whether deputy is there. I don't know whether information.
Yeah, he was here. I think he's here. He's here. I think. Let me just show you people that are here. So I believe.
What happened is that deputy is not here.
Okay. Olisemeka, I greet you, sir. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Well done, Kai. Welcome for what you're doing. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, so that means we need to wait a while before we can. Let's just wait. Ike, you and your network is battling. I don't know if you can. You just that's why I kicked you out before for you to reconnect back. And I say struggling to come.
No, I'm back. I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sorry about that. It's one of those things. Yeah, the deputy is here, commissioner is there, secretary is there. Okay, we will continue while we wait for others. We are still expecting like about 5 of them, but I don't know whether network will allow them to come in. At least
please, those of you that are here, please try not to go out, so that we are not going to start waiting for you. And let's wait for more 2 minutes. Is that okay for you?
I believe we can start. Let's start. While they join, they'll introduce themselves. I believe it's because today is Sunday. Other people might have other things they need to do.
All right. So let's start without wasting much time. And
I think you need to open the floor, Her Excellency. Let's hear from you why we are here and what we expect to do here.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening in our great Biafrans, the whole wide world, depending on your time zone. Because the way we are, some people are in the morning, some in the afternoon, while some are sleeping. But depending on where you find yourself at this moment in time, our grammar have to be mixed. We are going to use both our mother tongue with a general one so that others will flow. So ana m ekene na nwanyị n'ụbọchị nke taa. Na-ekene Chineke nke obiama nke pụrụ ime ihe niile nke mere n'ụbọchị taata na anyị dị ndụ n'ala ndị dị ndụ maka na anyị ma na ụfọdụ chọrọ ka a nọkwala otu anyị si n'ọrụ mana ha enwere the opportunity ọ bụrụ na n'ihi na anyị ma eme mana anyị na-ekene Chineke na onye mee ka ọgbakọ nke a taata o tego akwadobe ya mana o mee ka ọ bụrụ ihe ga-amịta mkpụrụ taata anyị na-ekene ya wekwala opportunity a wee na-ekenekwa nna anyị ukwu bụ Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu, the president of the United States of Biafra. Anyị na-ekene ya na-asị ya na datin ọ na-achọ eji maka ya wee na-atị ya ọfụ na ya enwetaghị ya nya jisi ike na mgbe netara aka na o esi ebe a wee pụta ihere emekwanụ ndị na-achọ ya asị m na ọ ga-adị ka echi na echi adị agwụ agwụ na ihe anyị bụ anụ ka ifufe nkiri ka a na-ekiri ododo ejiokwa na ya alọ mmụọ nwere ihe ga-eme ya ọ ga-adị ka echi na echi adị agwụ agwụ. Otu a ka m na-echetakwa nwa ya nwoke bụ Simon Ekpa, the ambassador of peace, the good guy himself, onye nke nna ya kpọ oku ọza ọsịa nna m ziga m na m ga-aga odokwa na ewu na ọkụ anya na nke tata na ozi ezinye na ojekwa na ya and nna ya si na ekwana ka ekwensu baa ya ime ọsịa never. Ọ na-aga ncheta okwu a mkpụrụ okwu na-aba aha akpata oyi ya na awụ even as I'm saying it now I'm filled with good temple. Ọ nọkwa ebe ọ nọ kịta mduto ihe niile anyị na-achọ asị ya Nwachukwu ya jisi ike na nwere ihe ga-eme ya na ihe ọ na-achọ na ya enwetaghị ya na ndị na-achọ ya ga-ada ndị ọ na-achịkwanụ ga-ada na ihe ọ bụ anụkọ ifufe na ada enwude ifufe enwude ya gbaa ji na mgbe netara aka na ọ ga-apụta. Anyị na-echetakwa ya na-echetakwa nne anyị ukwu. Oh God, the woman that accepted to be our mother despite our stupidity, despite our backwardness, despite our not doing well. A mother is the mother. She still accepts us and accommodates us and accepted to be our mother. Ana m asị ka Chineke nna nọnyere ya ebe na ebe ọbụla ọ nọ na ọ ga-adị ka echi na o nwere ihe ga-eme na ọkwanụ osisi na-amị mkpụrụ ọma ka a na-atụ iche ka anyị maka anyị na-eto anyị pụta n'ukwu ụdara na-atọ ụtọ anyị ama nkwesị na ya pụọ apụ anyị na-ekpe ekpere ka ikuku kue ka o kutuela anyị maka na ebe anyị si ada awụ ụdara awụ mana ọ bụrụ nke na-ada atọ ụtọ anyị pụta ya agafelu ụmụaka na-asị ya ayọ ngị daarụ m anyị baa anya afa ịpụta ụdara ekposo onwe na-emetụ ya aka. So nne ka nne ụdara osisi na-amị mkpụrụ ọma ka ụmụaka na-eso and ọkwa na ewu ọkwa na onye bụ igu ka ewu na-eso gị leba na ịma nda na nke ikpeazụ a anyị na-afụ ya n'anya ma ndị nzama perie na ụdị ọbụla ndị na-amagharị jonjom na-achọ ka fa esi wee lie ọsọsọ ihe a budere bụ stomach infrastructure ihe afọfa ga-eri. They don't want the betterment of us. Ha na-eso gị n'ụdị ọbụla asị gị nne ka nna nwere ihe ga-eme gị leba na ịma nda anyị kwụ gị n'azụ. Otu a ka m na-echetakwa all the cabinet members niile ndị ji eziokwu eje maka na mgbe anyị bịa ekwu m sị na ọkwa na ọ ga-eji arụchasị ata n'ọka ka anyị nọ na ya na ụfọdụ ka ya dapụkwa. So na problem ndị mmadụ na-enwe na onye dapụ ọ chọọ ka anyị ọzọ soli ya dapụ ya ka m ji wee gwa ndị mmadụ na njem anyị na-eje abụrụ njem onye na-aga ọkpọrụ di ya ma ọkpọrụ nwunye ya ma ọkpọrụ ụmụ ya. You're on your own. Just bata because of ife ịchọ inweta because of ịchọ ka ọ dịrị gị na ezinụlọ gị mma dịrị gị na ụmụ gị mma dịrị Biafra as a whole mma. Anyị batana maka na Okeke bata ma Okoye bata maka na Okeke na Okoye pụọ isoli pụọ onye na-eme n'ụbọchị taa. So ana m asị ndị cabinet members niile ndị ji eziokwu eje ndị ka nọkwa na njem a nọsie enye ike a sị ha ga-adị ka echi na echi adịghị agwụ agwụ na nwere ihe ga-eme ha. Sịkwa na ndị sekretịrị niile ga-anọkwa na United States of Biafra nwere ihe ga-eme ha. All the governors, all their deputies, their secretaries, the commissioners na United States of Biafra asị m na nwere ihe ga-eme unu na-alị na unu ama nda ndị ji eziokwu eje ọ bụkwa ndị na-achọ ife afọfa ga-eri. Onye ọbụla nwe obi nwanne maka ihe nọ n'ime ya bụ ọnya ya na nwanne ọnụrụbe nwanne agba n'ọsọ. so ana m asị na unu ga-adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ na nwere ihe ga-eme unu sikwa na ndị ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị ndị ahụ ndị nke kweta iji ụmụ ha chụọ aja sị na a ga-echekwa our fatherland our motherland at all costs a sị na nwere ihe ga-eme ha na ndị na-achụ ha ga-ada ndị ha na-achụkwanụ ga-ada na nkiri ka a na-ekirikwanụ ha na-ejikwanụ nwere ihe ga-eji ha mee onye ọ na-achụfa ga-ada and na ya bụ anụkọ ifufe a sị ha leba na ha ama nda na ihe ha na-achọ a ga-eji wee protect our land na Chineke nna ga-ezitela anyị ndị ga-ezitie and a ga-protect kwa na our land. Otu a ka m na-echetakwa all the citizens of United States of Biafra were chetakwanụ ndị Ikemba steeti ndị nwe m na ndị nwe Ikemba bụ the strength of the nation. Ana m asị na ọ ga-adịrị unu mma na unu ga-adị ka echi na echi adị agwụ agwụ na onye ya na nwanne ya nke anyị mega activate anọghị n'ube nwanne agba n'ọsọ nke anyị nọ na ya na anyị jikwa na ya aga na nwere ihe ga-eme anyị na mmeri ka anyị ga na-emeri na ndị niile a na-achụ anyị ga-ada na our land will be protected at all costs. Okwu ekwuru nwa iyi na Chineke nna nke pụrụ ihe niile ga-enyere anyị aka. Otu aka ahụ ka m na-echetakwa deputi nke mụ na ya na-abụ na-alụ ọlụ nke na-aga afụ m afụ ya a sị m na ọ ga-adịrị ya mma ọ na-eme ya na-akpụ ya omenyere ana m akpọkwu ya cat with several lives ana m asị ya jisi ike na ya na afụ ihe ọ na-eme na onwere ihe ga-eme ya na-echetakwa na-echetakwa secretary na-echetakwa commissioner for information na-echetakwa all our commissioners ma urban ma transportation ma Judaism na onye ọbụla na-akụ nke ya ma education na health a sị m unu jisi ike ụmụnne m na ihe anyị na-achọ na anyị ga-enweta ya na anyị ga-enjoy kwanụ na ya ma ntasị afọ a mmadụ a nara anyị ya we must eat the fruit of our labor. Ana m asị unu jide nke unu ji na-ejikwa ohere a wee na-echetakwa onye nke anyị nọkwa na nke n'ụbọchị nke taa nabatakwa anyị dịka nwanne na-achọ ka ọ ga-esi dịrị anyị niile mma. Onye ka m na-ekwu maka ya ọ bụrụ maka Kai report ana m asị na ọ ga-adịrị ya mma dịkwara ezinụlọ ya mma na ihe niile ọ na-achọ na ọ ga-enweta ya na ogbu aka na igbu aka ekpe na ọ ga-egbute na ihe ọma ga na-emeri ya maka ọ na-achọ ka ọ ga-esi dịrị kọntrị ya mma so o nwere ihe ga-eme ya. A sị m Nwachukwu darụrị nne ana m asị ya dịrị nwoke mma dịrị nwaanyị mma ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ otu a m kwuru otu a ka ọ ga-adị. A sị ka Chineke nna nke pụrụ ihe niile jiri aka ya bịa jikọkwa anyị ọnụ karịa ka o jikọ anyị maka na eji m state of Ikemba eme ọgụ eji m ya eme ọnụ eji m state of Ikemba eme ọnụ ebe ọ bụla ije ife onye ifu nwanne ya onye na-anọrọ chọba nwanne ya okwu otu a ka anyị si aga onwekwana onwe ihe ọzọ ọkwa ọnụrụbe nwanne ka anyị ji aga so a sị m ụmụ nwanne m na ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma na onye a sị ya jide ka o ji na ọ na-eme ọfụma. Ana m asị unu airborne we move. Ndewo na ụmụ Chineke ndewonu.
Ndewo ha excellency ịgbanyana okwu gị kwụ ọtọ dịka siga eji m hara na-ekene ndị niile dị n'ọjọọ so iwee n'ọgbakọ tata onye mma ọfụma bụ ha excellency and the deputy ndị abụ ndị m na na mma n'ọnụ mmiri okofa ịnwe aka na mkpọcha nke deputy amụta obere nọ ha excellency ka okwugodo ebe ọ bụ n'okwuru ama ma n'ụlọ ya ma nọ ya na-ego so biko amụchọ m afa ndị nọcha ebe abụọ na m ekene onye ọbụla na-asị na okwu jiri aka ị ga-eji wee na ọ ga-adịrị anyị ncha na mmadụ ife anyị na ebe a bụrụ ịdụ aka n'ọnụ ma iche esomokwu onye na-achọ nke ya ndị ire agbọ ya na-ajọ nwa ọta na-achọ nke asị na ajọ nwa mana emelelu m ana eziokwu ga-adịnata a ga na-agba mgba a ga na-enwe ntaji anya ya na ya so mana ịmara ife dị mma kụrụ na ya kwudosie ike ka nwoke si akụ ọ ga-adịrị anyị ncha na mma. Ana m asị na ọnọkọ anyị nọ tata na ọ ga-amata ezigbo mkpụrụ ifeọma ga-esochi anyị n'ọgbakọ na-asị ka onye ọbụla bịara ebe a jiri obi ọma na obi sara mbara wee jigoro ohere na-anyọ ndị na-ege ntị iche na ọbụla ịbụ na iburu onye Ikemba omino nwanne bụ nwanne onye fe ifeọma ya kene ya too ya ndị steeti ndị ọzọ gasị gwa bụ onye ọma na-anọnyere anyị na-ege ntị nọ na comment section ma ọ dịka ga-awọchi vidio anyị na-emesịa ịkọrọ ndị a dị unu na Ikemba steeti na-agbanye na-asị na-eto dịka na nke o mere onwe ike ma ọzọ na-asị ka jide aka afa ji na ọ dị mma ọ bụrụ ife ọjọọ ka ọ nọ ifeọma ka a na-eme and other steeti biko womienu ihe dị ụta adị masị gị bịa na ka report ewe many other independent broadcasters ekwuru m ife before inwe ike ịga n'ebe dị iche n'iche but enidiri na-anụ ọnụ gị ọ bụrụ ị nọrọ ofe bi na-ebe akwa na onwere ekwere weta ego na onwere ekwere but a ga-anụ n'ọnụ gị ikwu okwu mara ebe o ji gị ọ ga-adịrị ndị Ikemba na mma dịkwara ndị niile na-esonyere anyị na mma. Biko Her Excellency, it's like your deputy neighbor.
Yes, deputy ya. Honorable Dominion.
Biko ma were mic gị wee gwa ya okwu ka anyị ife unu gị.
Okay. Shalom, everyone.
You're welcome.
Ana Kenegi, Honorable Kai. Honorable Kai, I'm Kenegi no Luamu na Alona, United States of Biafra. Ana follow Maganya. Dalu so much. And Ana Kenegi, my Ebu governor. Nne Ikemba State. Of Adaije Jemba. Why your mind Kenegi? It is a change in Daniel. Your leadership is very, 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 very wonderful. And your reign in the Ikemba State will bring great light and prosperity. Thank you, Her Excellency, Madam Kiru. And I want to greet all the honorables in the house. I want to greet my Commissioner for Information. Honorable, I greet you. I also recognize the presence of a special advisor to the government on a security matter, Honorable Ikemba. I think you are here. And every other person that is here that I'm not seeing their names, I pray that you will tell them what we continue.
Jindu is there. Transportation is there.
Wow. We are many here. My honorable. Yeah, thank you very much, Honorable Ate Jindu. You're welcome, sir. My Commissioner for Transport, we are seeing your good work. Thank you, sir. I greet you, every one of you. And I want to greet all Biafra. Mostly, before I continue, I would like to greet my able leader, my mentor, His Excellency, the President of the United States of Biafra, Prince Maazina Abdul Kanu, Ohamadike one of Biafra land, and the Africa in general. Thank you for all the sacrifices and all that you are doing to make sure that the children of God, the children of the Almighty, receive their freedom from this contraction called the zoo, Nigeria. And I want to also greet our Prime Minister, Mweje Bwago, Nkendi Losinodironko, Manabe Kutawego Kita, His Excellency Mazi Samone Banjoko, Obato Bie, Onye Battalion in Zamawe Bien and Jeba. I greet you, the dragon himself. Thank you for all the sacrifices. Thank you for your commitment. Thank you for your dedication for this divine project. May God continue to bless you wherever you are and increase your wisdom and strength to lead us aright. I will not forget my Deputy Prime Minister, Nnekande, the woman that accepted to carry this baby, even when the enemies gathers together to abort the baby, waiting for the day that the baby will be delivered for them to kill. But a good mother discussed with divinity that gave her the wisdom that the baby is ripe to come out at any time, that any day you give birth to the baby will survive it. But one thing you need, that after giving the birth, you need to protect the child. There's a lot of things you need to do to protect the child, and the woman said, I will do it. Even with tears on that day, she really gave birth to that child on 29th of November. Until today, our Prime Minister said, protect that mandate, that the baby. And she said, yes, I will do it. And she's doing it perfectly, without doubt. And Chukwu Okikabiama have been on her side. And today, even the enemy look at her and said, she's Madam Bao Bao. All the enemy have bowed. So I greet you.
Is he okay with that? Let him mute his camera. Thank you. Continue.
So I greet every one of us. My fellow Biafrans, we are here to let us know the progress of Ikemba State and also take few questions from you all, for Ikemba State is marching forward. Since our governor took over, we are marching forward, and we recorded a lot of achievement, a lot of progress, above all, the unity and love that is existing among us. It have never happened before. So therefore, that is why we are here. May Chukwu Okabiama bless every one of us. Thank you, and remain blessed. Welcome to this program.
Thank you so much. Thank you, His Excellency. You have done well. If the hand quote in the thing about that now, for those of you on comment section, or maybe if you are watching from Homeland or any part of the world where you are watching this program, we are going to drop a link instanter so that you can now comment to ask that your worry, that question that bothers you. If you have any question for Ikemba executives, the state of Ikemba, they are all here. Maybe you are from Old Anambra State, but you are confused. You know your community, you know where you come from, and you have a J, but you don't know where to drop it. Maybe you are scared. Makandi was a more, so you actually want to be sure. Worry no more. The hour is now for you to receive that deliverance. The executive state of Ikembas, they are here to give you what you to answer all these questions. So while waiting for that, I think we need to give the mic to another person. Her Excellency, are you still here? Please let me know.
Yes, I'm here. Secretary is there. Let's Secretary talk to us.
Let's hear from you.
Okay, thank you so much. Am I coming there? Am I coming there?
Your voice is very low.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, am I coming out clear now?
Yes, can you add just more energy to that, because we need to be ginger with your voice.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, it's more like it. We can hear you now.
Okay, thank you so much, Kai. Thank you for all you do. This is Secretary to the State Government, State of Ikemba. I greet everyone here. My Excellency, I greet you. My Excellency, Honorable Dominion, I greet you. Honorable Olisemeka, I salute, I greet. Commissioner for Information, I greet you. Commissioner for Transportation, I greet you. Special Advisor to the Governor, I greet you. I greet everyone. I just want to chip in one or two things, but maybe that would be just to introduce the towns and the counties we have in the state of Ikemba. But I don't know if my governor, I don't know if I should wait, maybe later. I'll now mention those towns and counties.
Yes.
Or should I go on?
Just wait.
Let's continue introduction. Thank you.
Just wait.
Okay. Thank you. I'll mute my mic now, so maybe later. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Call up another person.
I want to use this opportunity to call on Chief Ejindo.
I hope I'm
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Can anybody hear me?
Okay.
Hey. Network.
You can go out and come back. We had you. Is your network?
Can anybody hear me?
We can hear you. You can go out and come back.
Okay. What will happen is that
Kai, can you hear me?
Put their mic. Please let's just do it perfectly, because
okay.
If just everyone put your mic if you hear your name, you can unmute your mic, then you talk, so that others will hear you without having any interjection. SSG, I think SSG is he the person that's supposed to talk now?
No, no, he has completed. He's commissioner for land and urban.
Okay, SSG, please mute yourself, mute your mic, so that we will not have any interference from your end. The commissioner for land is next, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, please, sir, unmute your mic. Let's hear from you.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Happy Sunday. My name is Chief Honorable Olisemeka Ejundu, Honorable Commissioner for Lands and Urban Development, State of Ikemba. All protocol observed, but I must give a special thanks to Kai. Kai, thank you very much for what you are doing. Thank you for the dissemination you've been doing for everybody. I like how you are countering all those media rats that have been disturbing our
Thank you so much.
the media rat that have been disturbing our progress. Thank you very much. I follow you every time I come online. I see you how they are committing suicide, verbal suicide in the platform. So thank you for you are disseminating them. Thank you very much. And I thank my governor, thank my deputy governor, and most importantly, our Onyendu, the leader of this Biafran nation. The deputy prime minister, the deputy prime minister, Sam Ekwa, and DPM, deputy prime minister, sorry. I mean, the PM, which is prime minister, Simon Ekpa, wherever he is, we heard that his season is coming out, so he will be blessed, and we're going to get victory. And our special thanks to Mama Biafra, the deputy PM, Ngozi Orabeze. I thank you for everybody. I thank you, Kai, for everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, that is please. Who is next, Excellency?
Let's call upon let me look. Let's call upon Commissioner for Transportation. Then
okay.
Honorable, unmute yourself and speak to Biafra.
Please unmute your mic.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon from here.
I greet you, sir. You're welcome.
I think my first time I was joining your live program. God bless you. I'm following you and you're doing a very good job. Thank you and please on. I want to thank our DPM, Mama Biafra, Mother of Freedom, for what she's doing on the Mayan Afanya, on the Mayan Abandi Royale. Our prayer goes to her that God is going to keep her and protect her. So as you to be the coach, let me see if we can before the man. So only came back here now, so 100%. Before the man. And also my prayer goes to our president, Mazi Namudokukalo, the president of the whole Biafra nation. God is going to keep her alive until when he will come out and join us. We also keep on praying for our PM. The only prayer that you have for them. And God will also keep him and give him victory because his case is coming up soon. Our prayer is that God is going to give him victory. And that victory is coming. And no power will stop it. So shall it be in Jesus' name. Amen. Then let me come down to my state. Yeah. My Apple governor, thank you so much. Thank you for all your work. For Big Mommy, Ikemba State. You are doing a great job. I must appreciate you. As when I come to you, so I need to give me more grace, more grace, more grace. Don't listen to any side talk. Don't look back. As in, move forward ever. I got what we really came back. I got what we really, I know, and then we take here, come up with the one day we are going to celebrate. Then our deputy, thank you so much, sir. And I'm about to go for you, remember you're doing a very great job. Thank you. God will keep on blessing you and giving you strength. See, Kenna. Shalom from here. And the other commissioners here, Mazi, Secretary, Special Advisor on Security Matters, Commissioner for Land, and so many other people that I cannot mention their name. I say, may God come and keep on blessing us. And bless all the Ikemba citizens. And to all our listeners over there, wherever you are listening to all this afternoon, I say, may God bless you and bless your family. You will never see shame. Okay? Ikemba State is a very great state. And we are trying to make it to be great. Okay? We are trying to make Ikemba State to be the best state as far as Fortis of Biafra is concerned. Yeah? If I na Chime Boka, Ikemba, ebe ọbụla ị nọ nụ Ikemba, ebe ọbụla ị na-eme, gba break ige ntị ka ị mara ibe na-ekwu maka ya, Ikemba. And that's what we are doing now. Any place ọbụla ị nọ, look at Ikemba State. Ọ bụrụ na only ka ị na-eri, you have to pause. Ka ị mara ihe na-ekwu maka Ikemba State. So you want to set an example that other people will follow. So I thank you all for joining us in this program today. So in the way you are listening, may God bless you. Thank you from here. And God bless us all. Bye for now.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. And we are going to, let me just remind us, in case if you are watching on from the comment section, and the link that is there is for you to join us. If you have any question for people of Ikemba State, or if you have anything to say, or you want to appreciate them, it doesn't matter which state you come from. If you are proud of Ikemba like I am, you can come here and appreciate them like a family member so far, so that they can have power to do more. So who is next?
Okay, thank you, Chineke.
That is network.
Okay,
I think
I'm the next person.
Commissioner for Information.
Commissioner for Information. Okay.
Okay, am I coming out clear?
Yes, you are. But I don't. Are you the Commissioner of Information?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm the one.
Yes, information is the next person. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and good night, depending on your time zone. I remain Mazi C Global, the Commissioner for Information behind Biafra Giant Hub, and also State of Ikemba Media and Publicity TV News, and also representing USBG on X Handle Space. So I thank each and every one of us. I want to thank my leader, Mazen Kanu, and my most special thanks goes to our PM and also to our Deputy Prime Minister and to all the 40 United States of the government, to all the states, to all the citizens, and to all the county heads across all the nations, and to all the commissioners, and to all the well-meaning Biafrans, our Foreign Affairs Department. Special thanks to Dr. Kamdi and also all the independent media. And thanks to our brother Kai for what you're doing, for volunteering, for giving us the opportunity to be here to speak to Biafra, to the people that love freedom and truth. May Chupo Kabiama continue to bless each and every one of you. And our quest is already there. I want to also use this medium to also applaud to you all, whoever that is listening to me, to also join me by 4 p.m. as we propagate on X handle, as we propagate the gospel of our appeal, of our PM appeal, that is, that BCG was fraudulently trying to, manipulate because they want to look relevant. So I thank you all, and may God continue to bless you in the name of Chukwu Kabiam. And
Yes,
also
sir.
thank to my governor and my deputy. Right.
Yes, sir. So what is your S handle name?
That is a Biafra Giant Hub. Yeah.
Biafra?
Giant Hub. Biafra Giant Hub.
Okay, can you just put it on the comment section so we can pin it here? You can just flash it so people will follow you there.
All right.
So people that are following okay, I can see. Okay, I can see you now. Okay, Biafra Giant Hub. Biafra Giant Hub. Okay. So you co-host with Greg, with Drake.
Yes. I co-host with Drake, Mouthpiece,
with Drake, yeah.
And
Okay.
sometimes Biafra can come to Kalu. So
I'm not all that active on S, so I'm not active on S. But for the sake of those who normally go to X, the best way to your name may not be I am just lucky to see you. So your handle name is at B _J_giants. So let me just type it for those of us that are fun to follow program on X, so they can pay attention to your program there. HUB, that's hub. Okay, so this is the message. Okay, no problem. Please, who is next? Her Excellency, are we done or do you have a step?
The next person, I don't know whether it's network, the advisor Ike Omeni, advisor to to the government on security matter.
Let's just hear from him. He's back now. Let's know if excuse. Can you unmute your mic, sir? Ike Omeni.
Honorable Ike Omeni, can you unmute your mic and speak to Biafra? Thank you. Introduce yourself. Thank you. With your portfolio.
I think network is not favorable to him.
Okay, maybe we'll continue. Anytime you want to talk, we can give him the opportunity to talk because network is not friendly to us anyway.
Okay. So, Her Excellency, okay. He want to say something?
Is it Ike?
Yeah, I think he's trying to.
Please speak to us. If you are using earpiece, you can remove the earphone. It might be the one interrupting you. You can talk to us.
My voice is coming out from his end.
Okay. So what do we do now? Network is
his network is not strong enough. His network is not strong enough. Okay, what will happen is that let him just go out and come back again. Maybe we may be blessed to hear him when he tried again. But before then, Her Excellency, I don't know, you or the deputy, Do you mind to share with us the challenges so far?
Deputy, are you there? Deputy, please unmute yourself and talk to us. Thank you. Hello, Honorable Dominion, can you hear me? The mic is yours.
I don't think he's here. Okay, he's there. He's here. He's there. Honorable Ambassador Prince Dominion. Please unmute your mic.
Hello, are you hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay, thank you very much. Network is very, very poor today, but God Almighty will help us. My great people of Biafrans, we are here to preach the gospel of redemption. We are here to preach the gospel of salvation. We are here to let our people know what who Okikabiama is doing already in our land. We thank God for our Deputy PM once again, and offering herself to become an instrument, a vessel for Okikabiama to use her to finish this great project. Obolo, Obuboka or Yaweza, Etokes Wepoinine, mana o nwere ndị bịara ozi a ma bịa ozi nke ife a ga-eri. Yes, they turn it to become their career, and onye America ji na suffer setback all these years, all this while. And I'm making it work abịa ma onye na-enye our DTPM the revelation to discover all these people and to fish them out from the system. If not of this little setback and challenges, I know by now I question on our land. Biafrans have contributed in the past enough that's supposed to be okay for us to go home. But some people like Ogen carry them and so on and so forth. Let me not digress and begin to call their names. Some people now begin to make it to become their career. Onya Kaide Silanya, mgbe take over the leadership in Ikemba State. I will say now, anyị ga-abụ one of the 50s. Our supreme leader, our president is on our achọ ka e wee nweta this Biafra. Maka ọ na-ebe akwa for 100 men ọ na-eti mkpu. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ wee na-asị na ndị ftara njem a lụrụ 1 million, anyị lụche 2 million, anyị lụche 50 million, anyị lụchere mgbe ahụ 20 million. Ka ezi ka o si barakwa na Chukwu Okabịa money the 100. And upon that 100, nweta nwụrụ 1 as of then. Mana ọ bụ na ebe mgbe ahụ efu na ndị nọ na DOS ka nkụ. Mana ya mara na ife our leader na-afụ dịka onye amụma ọtị na onwete our prime minister. Our prime minister will say, I will be 50. Get to buy another 50. Mụnwa ga-abụ 50. Cheno ibe egwuri ma egwu. O wee kwete. Wee sị ebe nwetagoro 50 na gị. Ka nna achụkwa another 50. Biko, ka ibido ọrụ. O wee bido ọrụ. Ọ gwara anyị niile, go and follow him. He bringing a new dimension. Ụmụnne m Biafra gene monte. Ife anyị nọ n'ime wee new dimension. Ọ bụrụ the dimension Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ji mgbe ahụ. Our leader ka ọ bụ. Our president. Mana o ji ọnụ ya dịka onye amawesi anyị, go and follow Simon Ekpa. He is bringing a new dimension. Ndị gụrụ akwụkwọ ga-ama na a new thing. That means na dimension nke enweghị ebe ọ kwụsịrị. Na onye a na-ewetezi a new one. Maka ndị nọ DOS na-asị gị na ba na-efolo Nnamdi Kanu na a na-efolo nke a na their leader. Mana onye na-efolo mmadụ wee ghara ị na-ege ntị n'ozi ezu ọ na-ezi. Some of us are Christians and the Christ sịrị ndị na-eso ozi ya, do you love me? Ba sị ya, yes sir. Or see, if you love me, keep my commandment. That means keep my instructions. Onye si na ọfụrụ Nnamdi Kanu n'anya wa ihe etie Simon Ekpa ha etie Ngozi Orabueze our deputy prime minister. Onye anwụ nwere iwe kọrọ ya n'ime. Onye anwụ aka gwara onwe eziokwu. That is why our president, His Excellency, will say, go and listen to him. And we now begin to listen to him. Share his video accordingly. He's bringing a new dimension. And some oko we see na anyukwu mkpa na wagara emia ha wee kpaa nkata wee were na anyukwu wee lee na bụ ndị na-anọ n'ime ọfịa gbuo Biafra n'ụzọ jụọ ka onye gbulunu ndị osochi wee na-egbu soro mmadụ wee jebe mgbalụ ọba so wee lee ya jika aka ọnụ with our Kenya rep wee kpọọ ya na enwere meeting kọlụ Ikechukwu ozugbo wee lefuru onye ndu anyị ha wee bido ozi agha wee megide our prime minister. Google all the propaganda. Maybe from a otu member or to make they form court. But they make even court instead of his seek for freedom. Obone echi but no to court of one he get to care oath. And he taking another oath that their evil spirit, our leader. Now Funasi don't allow Satan to enter inside you. Mark all of them are possessed by Satan. Or we are 50 corps. Please don't allow the Satan. Because all my India, they are possessed. And our president, our prime minister will say, I will never, that Satan will never enter inside me. All that Satan, DJLI, DOS, yes, sir. Our prime minister will say, Kai Banyan autopilot. They will form autopilot. Autopilot with a new dimension and saying, give us to Biafra government in exile. Then when the king will take sins. We went to Biafra government in exile through referendum, and it was declared. Our Liberation Army was established, and everything about ESN was collapsed because our leader said that when the Liberation Army comes, ESN will collapse. Oh, our prime minister, our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, His Excellency, that this ESN is only like a vigilante. That we have to chase away the Fulanis in the bushes that are sleeping and raping our women. They are not going to be our army. They are not. That when the time comes, and the army will be formed. And our prime minister follow that template. Because some people that are telling us that our prime minister is not using the template of our leader. He's not using the template of our leader. Where is the template? And our prime minister used it, and they created and declared the government in exile with our Liberation Army. If you are now in ESN and you want to join the Liberation Army, you should come and follow the process. And you check off it qualified. You join the army of Chukwu. Come and join. Many of them join, some refuse to join. And some people who now say that Biafra will swallow him, Biafra will do this. Later claim they have become a Boko Haram repented. They are now a repented Sabo, like repented Boko Haram in the zoo. They were accepted. We don't know they entered there to corrupt the army of Chukwu. They entered there to corrupt those men using their satanic spirits. And they corrupted the Liberation Army. And that is why when our deputy PM, after our declaration, she thought that she's still working with the angel of the Almighty, left to her by our prime minister. She don't know that evil man has run away from Finland and came back and corrupt these young people. She began to do everything within her power to make sure if she can cast away that demon, because the Almighty will come and say, resist the devil, he will flee away. She began to do everything to know that she can cast away that demon. She don't know that that demon have entered into the fabric, into their body system, their bones and marrows. And she said, wow, these people cannot be redeemed again. Created creating United States of Army elite squad. from the beginning, obido n'isi, we cover the new people that are still fresh, people that are good in mind, people that are still sound, people that are not yet corrupted. Or build here. And these people, came out like Satan, entered into the zoo, begin to massacre our indigenous people, doing all kinds of work that their master, the devil, have asked them to do. But glory be to God. They said you are Master Woman Baba, Madam Baba. All of them have bowed today. Because who Okikabiama is always with the person that he send message. My dear wonderful people. Many governors that were there, administrators of different states of that time, before the redeclaration, many of them, the wind of that demon entered inside them. They begin to carry money. Many things that our deputy PM is trying to send it to them to use it to create a new military. They now begin to siphon the government. They become corrupt people. And many of them have been taken away. And they will prefer. Only we project for Musia group fight against the government. Begin to do propaganda. Our brother man can get a in and half. As I am culture and the exam. You are seeing all these things on the Abundi mailing I can on ever know today. Our former governor of Ikemba State, Abia Itekule, Aba Nkwacha, Nkewunkwaka, Nkewunkwacha, the same character. Siphoned the state money. Now 2024, if I'm wrong, 2024, according to his own report, the Ikemba people starting the way now are supposed to this man with 18.something million naira. I don't get it. Nothing. My was again the Danya. It's only open and a beer. Now, a guard draw. No one go na biani. Over will go in 2025, January till July, I take over. Even with from January, and actually from Finland, that January till July 9, or handed over. Even with the 6.something million, body, or sitting for that for 500,000. Commissioner for Finance, you're for 97,000. Come on, phone here. Man, record where they put on with 6.something million from January till July 9. And my chico wala in the Berlin and Jamaica they call the time. And we have now taken over. Today, Ikemba State have become the strength of this nation. Our military are working. We are putting everything in the place to make sure na makanopani inye juoma di Biafra obebaze na ajofia weje buoke mbologo. I wait up to no nwere ụmụ akwụkwọ ndị niile nọ na Ikemba. Government mere abandon alụ na aya iwe niile dị iche iche na-emefa. I will set ya up. Build a mini clinic in all the schools. Taking care of them. Ma ndị gbajisiri ụkwụ emere abandon. Emechewe na agbade ụkwụ na-ego my crutches. Na-akpọta ndị na-agba ụkwụ na-ese ndị ebe ahụ. Today they are sound and healthy. All because those people can ndị a na-eji akpọ na phone ka ba receive offer. So I be able to know about in charge of men on ground. But you abandoned them for many years. My dear wonderful people, we are here. On our land. Around us. The zoos have come to wipe us away again. They have now penetrated into our brothers and our sisters in the zoo politics. Today, our people are suffering, mostly in Old Anambra State. Our people are suffering. Their business, their means of livelihood are being destroyed by Sevibo. Also, render our people useless. Just like as his son is useless in America. You know, a musician, one album, and you're from Congo, Patali. Oh, in the Bulgaria, I never call you, I'm Australian. I'm a Montaigne, and one on our school.
On America, correct, not UK.
Okay, UK. Okay, no, UK, corner, sorry. amara m nke nna ya sịrị mgbe o mere court na onye na-ada prọfesọ without enweghị any novel o dere. Amara m nke o si na yunivasiti oge ahụ o mere court bịa na-enye di m ya nsogbu kịta biko ị na-eneti nwe anya ọ na-eme ka ọ na-ese mkpụrụ mmiri. Ewedela ọchịchị osia na ọ ga-enye anyị Dubai na ọ ga-atọ n'Old Anambra to Dubai. Ọ bụrụkwa tuzi nke nwa nke nwaka nwere enwe the biggest amara m nnọọ nke nwaka nwere enwe eche na ka o mee ka ọrụ Dubai nwa first time ya agwụ no Dubai no ejidiwe niile ekola ọhụrụ na be Dubai ya bụ ịkpụba ndị dibịa niile kpọchie mmemme of them security ukporo ka ọhụrụ ọhịa wụ Dubai nwaanyị na-ene anya ndị agbụrụ ọ sị na ọ ga-ewepụ n'ụzọ na ọ ga-eji edit digitalị ama na uniform ka o chenji ọhụrụ Dubai ibegode Anambra Old Anambra efunye Dubai with uniform with osisi etu esi eme na mbụ ka esi eme ugbu a ama m ya wụ Dubai nwa gwara anyị na a ga-ete ọnụ ọbara Dubai of Africa o jide na mbe market ọ biko na na-eme sit at home kwalo shop ndị mmadụ niile vuo their business my everything do na shop without anything maybe see that is the device system of Igbo na ndị otu. All these things are people ndị ụmụ akwụkwọ na-esi na waso na ya eme sit at home ọchọ gabena school gị na anụ ụlọ ọjọọ dela na chụsisi ama headmistress and the headmasters the system of Dubai anyị na-afọ ọnya dị ibe anyị wee na-asị biko gịnị ka anyị ga-eme jebe kwa nwaanyị ukwuwarị na anya goo na ukwu awagokwa na anyị ụmụnne anyị na-ebe the state of Ikemba have now come to rescue our people, to protect our people, and we are seeking for your help. If you help us, if we not deliver anywhere you hear our voice again, just stone us. Thank you and remain blessed.
God bless you. Thank you so much. Emmanuel, that is one thing about sabotage. It's not only that they will squash the money, but the consequences that comes with it is to destroy the trust that people have on this, on genuine people. I'm now if that ex-governor, if Ikemba state gets to contribute to people now, this somehow try to play caution because of ego but people need to understand that everybody is not the same. Yes, it's not only in Ikemba state. So many states are facing the same issue. Some states themselves don't even know where to start. Some governors are even stranded. That is why you need to respect Ikemba state. And I ask Panamajud, who are commissioner of adoption. That name adopt. Who are commissioner for that?
You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome.
Well, because Ikemba is something. Everything about Ikemba state is perfect. Like the only problem is just that the betrayer, the former governor there, messages of people are now. This is a kind of actually taking precaution before taking action. But be it that it may, you need to just wave it away and do what you're supposed to do. Because how people not go at your way. If you are waiting for COS to come to Ikemba and begin to do everything just for you, no. You have to do what you're supposed to do. Know your problem. Know any issue. Maybe one for you. Go on now. Not Ikemba state. My even face Ikemba state. If you are trying to pretend that you know okay, say me, oh no, okay, say me. I feel Yoruba people never all the stuff now. For you not to be like Yoruba or Hausa, I'm not some Yoruba like that. They are still confused. Well, maybe you can remedy this thing. There's no remedy. Fulani has come, they have come. There's no way you can push them away. We need to learn from that to avoid repetition of disaster. Ikemba state, you guys have what it takes. You have what it takes to do what's supposed to do. You have what it takes to stop some of this disaster on time. Anambra state as a whole, quite a heartbeat. Not only Igbo people, Christians and non-Muslims, Anambra State. That is why they attack always in Anambra. And when you have this kind of governor, or that decrease you. More never say for you come na soludo get better turn before turn oketa. Because I was happy at least that he's educated, a professor, you know, that kind of thing. I'm no package on a suit. Na koili. I'm no like your job na nibo. Honestly, if former governor of Central Bank, the one of icon in Igbo land, somebody very young, very brilliant, you know, Soludo. I'm no just now here back I'm not here back
One name here problem here is trying to please their master, you know. So they try to make them to be relevant. Because election.
Let them go and check it over the history. All the same Fakulia CCO no Chobo Kadibo Ngige Willow Biano. All the phone back and they can do Leque and Kevin Devil my. I'm not a fan of anybody people president. If you left for me, any Bobano Potassian so president of Nigeria, Eddie Dijos, Imachia, Naman myself, Naman me again, because I don't believe Niboban Gabo. Becoming president of Nigeria is just like opening door for an insult, for sabotage and killing of our people. Just like people be contested, in how many billions of business of people destroyed them. Now Lagos alone. Not only that, it will sabotage our total freedom in order. So, but despite that, I don't want to sound as if I'm promoting P2B or anything. I don't promote him. But I noticed something during that time because P2B declared himself as one of the candidates and all that. Omar from Ebonyi State quickly got pick form that he also want to contest as a president. No, start is all that tribe actually believed that. Omar for na attention they focus they will speak to be not too much. About camera was now. No, that's this thing and they got the constitution. Yoruba grab will say that one we're on with it. It's true. That is not in the constitution. Challenge number one, I guess your brother. Now, Omar, you will say that now that presidency had the choice no you one couple outside. We can also manage, we must be vice president. Fazer not talk on the constitution. You want to go now? On other than to Senate president. Omar, you know, Jira can answer a prize here down. Not the Senate president there. If you can have possible. You need to back us what we are just to make sure that the government is one after cool lose everything. Because I know some of us actually believe that Igbos are eager for money, that is about money. I don't think it's money. It's about power and stupidity. Maybe because of food livelihood. Because if not, how can somebody like Ateze in Enugu during the time of Buhari, he was then and shouting that no, Buhari get this fight. We will do that. Me and Iboka. Oboko nyekita na swatch. Okay, madam. You go na see na okay. With the gray hair, with you, is it money? It was also this one also is it lacking money? Ateze. In Kyokita or go one. I don't think in ego. Something there must be something about the whole thing that named the biportalization. They go big banner. Kana back can from buy the miss one and the rice. From there, build. I don't know his source of wealth too, but at least in the food. Let me make sure those from there building hotel. Did you also market your brand? Maybe on get us with the senseless. And Ubana is the one hand to teach Igbo people how to reason. Okay, for that. Now, once a mom would kind of Indian is in there, Nabagua. Fagu metu hani on Akolojana. Onana can I? Anyway, we are here to remind our people the problem so that anybody who wants to do something can do it. It is very, very sad. Very, very, very sad. Her Excellency, the governor just touched so many things, but within the state of Ikemba, apart from finance, is there any other challenges that you guys would like to call people to assist? Because what we are doing here now, even if you are not going to do anything here now that you are live, you can also reach out to the government. That is why I displayed the handle of one of the executive from Ikemba State on X. You can reach out to him, follow him up, and of course, he will help you. Or you can meet governor. Governor is always available. His number is active. You can also reach out to her and advise, because they also need your advice. They need your support. So apart from that, Governor, do you think is there any other thing that you guys would like to share, or are there? It's just only fun.
Okay, thank you so much, Nwachineke. Udo direge. Before we continue, I would like the Secretary of the state to read the towns and the counties that made up state of Ikemba to our viewers, so to the listeners, so that of our jingle while we continue. Let me start from
there. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. I hope I'm coming out clear.
Yes, you are.
Okay. So sorry I left because of a network. I just had to relocate from where I was to another place just to have a stable network. All right. Okay. I'm going.
No, network. We cannot hear you anymore. We cannot hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you are back. Continue.
Okay.
I think you are muting. Maybe you mute your mic each time you want to read it. There must be something that you touch that block your voice from coming out.
Okay. I think I don't know how I'm going to do this. I have to.
Is it the same phone that you are using?
Yeah, the same phone. Yes.
Oh, it's not going to be possible then. It will be possible.
Yeah, because I don't know. Is it possible for me to paste it on the comment section?
Okay, try it.
Okay.
Let's see. So while waiting for that, let us hear this.
Okay. Connect. Just give me a second.
Don't worry, just mute your mic and post it. Okay, mute your mic. Take your time.
Okay.
Our people declare Ikemba State in the United States of Biafra. Amuna, listen. Our roads are broken, schools without roofs, farms they suffer, no modern tools. But now we stand, declare our state. Equitable funds come direct, no debate. Clean water flow, light for every home. Clinics rise up, youth skills we own. Investors call, jobs right here we create. Ikemba development, no more way. rivers. Leaders we know, from hills of Obokyogu to Ezu rivers flow. With Obizi as capital, proud and strong. Manage budget well, make every Ijema belong. Transparency now, public voice they loud. Service charges fair, safety in the crowd. Local men and women understand the land. Road, schools, peace, all in our hands. All in our hands. Amofe, Anani, Ezu, Dunu, Anaus, Ideno, Idesa, Tu, Obizi, Ofemili, Okboki, Ogushine, Okotu, Umuri, Umwele, all divine. Each county, each district, unique and bold. Resources and talent, our story told. It said, Ikemba rise. One people, one purpose. Hey, one destiny. Yeah, Ikemba rise. Turn promise to reality. So let's raise our voices, build our future now. Ikemba State, forward ever, backward never. Imunai, join the call. Biafra forever.
Okay, the message is here, but is not.
Okay, all right. Let me read that. Let me read them out. Let me read them out. Okay.
Are you
so
the screen? Yeah, am I?
Yes, from the screen.
Okay, continue.
If you are finding it difficult, I can even read it out. If you are finding it difficult, I have it at hand.
Okay. Don't worry, my governor. I can do that. Okay. We have the towns are Aguluzibo, Akweze, Ichida, Neni, Obeledu, Adaziane, Adazienu, Adazinukwu, Enugu Adazi, Agoro, Mbaukwu, Mri, Ifitedunu, Ukpo, Ekwuru, Umudioka, Umunnachi, Amaobia, Ezinato, Isiago, that is the capital, Nibo, Nise, Umawuro, Alo, Oketiti, Nnobi, Nnokwa, Akwa Ukwu, Oba, Ojoto, Achala, Amanuke, Isianocha, Mgbakwu, Urum, Amansi, Oka, Okpuno, Idaano, Ogidi, Uke, Abacha, Abatete, Eziowere, Ọra Ukwu, Ebenebe, ọ bụ ofe mmiri, Ugbene, Ugbenu, Enugu Agede, Enugu Ukwu, Nọfịa, Nọgụ, Abagana, Aba, Nimo, Mkpọ, Obosi, and Umuoji. So these are the towns. We have.
Secretary, anyway, I just want to come in here. Always some towns that are no mentioning well, like I am Idani and the Iozokwabu Ukuru. After Ubo, if they do Ukuru, so the way the name was mentioned, that's why I'm coming in. So
okay. Okay, thank you, my governor. Okay, thank you, my governor. Thank you, my governor.
Okay, so in a suppose you open your organic.
Before he continue, si mana na ndị emega anyị asụsụ Igbo anyị ọ dịka anyị na-amụsị ya kweze. He's trying his best. No, he's trying his best, but always some names, the way it's pronounced, some people might not know. We are talking about the towns in the state of Ikemba. Like Idan. Okay. Secretary, when I finish, you can continue. Abia ihe nwe bụ Aguruzi Igbo, Akweze, Ichida, Neni, Obeledu, Alo, Oke Etiti, Nobi, Nnọkwa, Akwa Ukwu, Ọba, Ojoto, Achala, Amanuke, Isuani Ọcha, Mgbakwu, Urum, Amansi, Ọka, Ọkpụnọ, Iftedunu, Ukpo, Ukwuru, Ụmụdịọka, Ụmụnachi, Agụrụ, Mgbakwu, Nri, Idani, Ogidi, Uke, Abacha, Abatete, Eziowere, Ọra Ukwu, Amaọbịa, Ezinatọ, Isiagụ, Nibo, Nise, Denu, Ebenebe, Ọbaofe Mmiri, Ugbene, Ugbenu, Mkpọ, Obosi, Ụmụoji, Adazi Ani, Adazi Enu, Adazi Nnukwu, Adazi Nnukwu, this 1 and 2. Enugwu Adazi, Enugwu Agide, Enugwu Ukwu, Nọfịa, Nọgụ, Abagana, Aba, Nimo. That's all. Thank you so much. You can continue with the counties. Ndewo.
Okay. Thank you, my governor. Okay. Am I coming out clear?
Yes, you are. Right on.
Okay. All right. The counties we have Ametiti.
It's like you're using microphone, please.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Your voice are very
Am I coming out clear now?
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Okay, all right. So we have Aguiyi County, Ametiti County, Amufe County, Obizi County, Dunu, Umuowere, Aniozo, Ofe Mmiri.
My secretary, Ikpo town, Ikpo county ha, like Ikpo town, Ikwe county ọ dị n'ime, ọ ya nyere ụfọdụ aka. Biko, daalụ.
Okay, I'm using only one phone here, so email tag a bit difficult because I'm only one phone not here.
Biko, can I assist?
We have called the towns now. Just call the county. Let us move on. We have called those two towns.
Okay. So
Call the counties. It's okay.
Okay. All right. So I said we have Aguiyi, Ametiti, Amufe, Aniozo, Dunu, Obizi. Then that Obizi is the capital. The capital of state of Ikemba. That's the Obizi County. Umuowere, Ofe Mmiri, Ide North, Ide South, Okotu. Then we have
Continue, we are hearing you.
Oh, quote. It seems here, Mike. You just ended in quote. You have not ended. It's Mike.
In Yemen, Obuna network na-enye nsogbu.
Okay, I said I called Okotu. Okotu, Umunri, Obochiogu, Ofe Mmiri.
The network.
Then I'll have Ezu County, Anyozo County, Ametiti, Amufe, Aguinyi.
You omitted Anandi.
Yeah.
Anandi.
Yes, I'm coming, ma. Then Obizi is the capital. Then we have Anani, and so we have 15 counties. That's what I'm calling. That's what I just called now. 15 counties. So let me repeat the last time. I said Aguinyi, Ametiti, Amufe, Obizi, which is the capital, Dunu. We have Anani, Ide North, Ide South, Ezu County, Ofe Mmiri, Okotu, Umuowere, Anyozo County, Ezu County, and
Guinea again.
His network is not good at all.
And Umuri. That's the last one.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. So, Excellency, can you now answer the question?
Okay. Thank you so much, Nwachineke. Thank you so much. When I get the no noise anyway. According to question Ejo, it's apart from ego and challenges, like we are building a new state. You know, building a new state is not an easy task, and all hands must be on decks. It's not here what one person will do or can do. Everybody has to come together. Almost some positions still that still needs occupations for people to occupy. So potezi or so why I'm saying this thing, that those people not saying you, this is time for all of us to come out. Whether your talent, your idea, state of Ikemba, we need it. Position we can never accept what is happening in the zoo, in our state, in our country. We can never go back to where we are coming from. Just know that as you are coming out, to whom much is given, much is expected. You are coming to serve. And we know we are building. And you cannot, and the history is being made. We are making history now. History, and the ofuma, that's no name of ma, so I need the finances to secure our place. When they get secure, and then I need the manpower to get the job going. Then I need the elu as the pakaletoka one na home and abroad. I game in the night. Move our state forward. And that is just it. We need manpower, we need finance, we need ideas, because we have what it takes. Ikemba state, I no bodo niile, and I baroba. So more than So mmadụ na-atọ ịnọ ezughị ime ka Ikemba steeti pụta bụrụ ọkachamara. But the main thing is that some people are not coming out. I don't know what their problem is, because Imangwa no because of ihe mere na before. Amanji mgbawu ya log mba nụnụ. Any as no maka ihe mere before. Onye isi anyị bụ Nnamdi Kanu na ebe ọ nọ. Our PM mana eme ebe Nnamdi Kanu nọ onye isi anyị. Mana emekwa ihe ọ na-eme werekwala ebe ọ nọ kịta. So Amanji mgbawu ya log, we must continue. So as I'm talking to you now, you more than will keep pụtasị na maka ihe ma obi mee ka o ji nọlụ. Ndị na-emesi ya, they did not even contribute. Ka m gwa gị eziokwu. It is still the people that contributed during the time of the previous governor that is still the one contributing us up today. As I'm talking to you. So those people no now could say they have not contributed. If they have done that, they should show us the proof. We need to build our state. We need to build our country. They should come out to support.
Thank you. We are coming back to the issue of finance. But please, is Commissioner of Information here? Commissioner of Information.
Network here, so he's not. I'm not seeing him right now. I'm not seeing him.
Okay, I will have a question for him, but he's not here. No problem. Then let's go to His Excellency Deputy Governor. Deputy Governor, like some Ikemba citizens that they watch our program, they hear your voice, they know their state, they know that they have able leaders that are doing wonders, but they have this kind of feelings. They are not coming out the way they're supposed to come out. If you are to send them a message, what do you have to tell them?
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to thank my governor, my people of Ikemba State. If you are say having double mind, I would like to obinabo mobi before mobu nke nugolo before nanti mobu nke mele eme even na chi gwa unu bụ na Ikemba State in the move forward, and every commissioner on Ikemba na alụ ọrụ ya. Ngwebere our commissioner for transport ga-agwakwa unu template little oya gwa template nke oji ogokwa the cabinet. So when I check by the citizen of Ikemba State, I am with a very big tax on our hands. With a lot of things to do on our table. My governors, we need to come together. Obu nanya bakotala onu, onwere ife anyị ga-eme. Ọ bụrụ ife mmadụ ịtọ ma we not ga-eme. Ọ bụ ife the whole house niile ga-ejikọ aka ọnụ wee mee. So ọ bụ na ụmụnne m bụ dị Ikemba wee kwuo n'eziokwu dịka m onwe m kwugoro. Maka nọrọ m n'ebe a jos nọ ka ọ bụrụ na ịbịa m ime agitation. But abịa m n'ebe a because of n'obodo m alaeze Chineke na-agụ m agụ. Dịka etu si wee nabata ozi ọma nke Kraịst, otu aka si wee nabatakwa ozi ọma nke the last miracle of God on earth, which na achọrọ m ka m bụrụ, and achọrọ m ka ọ bụrụ a gift m ga-enye. One, first of all, a gift m chọrọ inye to my mother because she's an aged woman now. Ọ chọrọ ka ọ fụ Biafra anụnwa before ọ na-join the ancestors. And ọ eme nje na-agba mbọ wefute obi m niile with all sincerity, thanking God for making me to work not under a governor who selfish, but a governor malifo, because ọ bụrụ na ị bịa na some of the states, and the Germany states, where they settle matter, deputy governor against governor and the prefect, yeah, I'm on my way prefect, and so on and so forth. But in Ikemba, there's an understanding. Or a governor with that vision. Onye chọrọ na ụnọ, onye chọrọ ka anyị ghara iwezi agitation nye ụmụaka anyị, kama ka anyị ụmụaka anyị freedom. Or even na language, ebe awụta get ya. And even na achịgbu ụmụnne anyị bụ na ife mbịara ebe awụ to give my mother a gift, if possible this year. Na Biafra. And I can everything within my reach. And with the help of my governor and Ikemba and the other commissioner, secretary, commissioner for information, commissioner for transport, commissioner for land and urban development, commissioner for health, everybody, commissioner for education, commissioner and special advisor to the government on the security matter who is here with us, and our commander. Everybody hands is on deck. Every commissioner for agriculture, gonna actually invest because we need to raise something. We are working in Ikemba, social media only to come and make noise. And then I as soon as possible. But you know, I am only to line with Ikemba for now. But other states, Makanoya give me Manazu Difa, but they make man. On the Alakabana or the Oman Kafama. So, oh, mad, Oman na Puala. So, if I been in one part, if you know the man affect, nobody been one part, release their hellfire in that side. So, if any governor decide, let us carry our sister state along, like Odumegu and Omambara. And because of that, we created a platform because we want to become the people necessarily the best. And thank God that they are following us. They are joining hands together with us for us to make sure that the zoo is not seen again in Oda Anambra State. When the three states come together, Obuna and the last meeting I made, if it were our problem, I will tell you nothing, but we need material. Not only finance. If somebody can even ship materials to us that is needed, we can do that. So, but thank God that we are now working together to make sure that everything is put in place. And I want to assure all Ikemba, Odumegu, and Omambara, if you are hearing my voice, I and my governor, we have come out to make sure. Now I go number 50. Now our prime minister go 50. Can you tell my deputy PM 51? Anyone have the 52 and 53. Thank you and remember bless.
All the car excuse on we. I'm not reacting.
Okay. Okay.
I know me. I called him before.
Our host. Okay. The commissioner for urban and you can continue now. We are live. Continue.
Oh, sorry about that. I was on call. Please, I have a question to Commissioner of Information. Are you? Oh, you are not here. You are not here. Okay. This is our brother Ikomen. Can you? I hope I pronounce your name well. Can you unmute your mic? Can we hear you?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you. Finally, we can hear your voice. Happy weekend to you, sir.
Yeah, well done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I've been struggling with the network.
Yeah, it's true. I noticed that.
Okay. My name is Ikemba.
Okay.
But before I say something, I'll have to thank our director, Nandekano, and our Prime Minister, Simon Eba, and our Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Onobueze, and my governor here, Her Excellency Nkiruka, and the Deputy Governor, Honorable Dominion, and the Kai TV also, because we are in your house today. I thank and everybody. Yeah, if I remember you, all the commissioners and everybody in the state of Ikemba. I thank you all. I'm happy to be here, to be on Kai TV. I've been following you, listening to you, thanking you for pushing this struggle forward.
Thank you.
I try to listen to my governor and my deputy governor, but network didn't allow me to follow. But that's notwithstanding. But the only
The network is not really, it's not good at all. The network is the main problem.
I wanted to tell him before to rush, before the network will deal with him personally, because he's dealing with him personally.
Yeah, the network is not good at all. It's not his fault. Mr. Oliseg,
Chief Ojindo.
Chief Ojindo. Okay, sir. What is his position, please, if I may ask?
Urban on the land.
Okay. I asked because I was thinking that he is the commissioner of information. Okay. Since we cannot hear from our Mazi Ike, I think we need to proceed. I don't know how. Do you still have anything you want us to touch that you have not touched?
I want Chief Ejindo to talk to us. Then transportation also to let us know some of his templates. Some, not all. I would like two of them to talk while we continue. Thank you.
Okay. We have Ocean Master is here. Let us hear from Ocean Master first because I don't know. I want to go to him here. My brother, mute your mic.
My brother, my brother, and everybody happy weekend.
Ocean Master, your network is not clear as well.
It's oh my God. I'm not
No. On a break, well.
Yes.
Just go out and come back. Go out and come back. Your network I do have favorable. I remember. It's okay. So if you are from Ikemba and you are watching the video, you are watching this live program, and you are shying away from coming here to say hi to our people, I don't know what is your problem, Mom. Okay, I expect you to come in and ask questions. All right, I'm not saying you should come here and donate blood, okay? Because I know most of you are not. Everything is not about that. Your word of encouragement is part of it. So just join us as we are still here. Please do all you can and follow the link. Let's hear from you. Anyway, Ocean Master, just come back again because let's see if your network is going to allow you. Chief Olise, please, sir, let's hear from you.
Yeah. But I want to talk to my people. My people, it seems in the Bible.
Why is everybody's network is not good at all? Why?
And the not much is not only people in our place. So commanding obodo yibo, onye apoketa no obodo yibo. Transportation, please, can you talk to us? Transportation, please. Thank you.
Okay. There we go.
Can you hear me now?
Even network is disturbing me as well. Yeah.
Can somebody hear me now?
Okay. They want to buy.
Can
Thank you
somebody?
so
Okay,
much,
I'm blocked
everyone.
up.
Yeah. Once again, my name is Apostle Testimony. Honorable Commissioner for Transportation.
You are far from your mic. Please come closer so we can hear you well. Please, transportation.
Okay. Can you hear me now, man? It's okay now?
Very well. Very well.
It's now.
All right.
Hello.
Yes,
Can anybody hear me?
I want to thank our people.
Oh my God.
I want to thank I want to thank our listeners, all the Ikemba species, wherever you are, hearing our voice this afternoon. Thank you so much for your time. And I want to use this opportunity to plead with every one of us, all the Ikemba species, or all the Biafrans, wherever you are, what we are doing, or we are not here on Kite TV this afternoon to entice you, or to entertain you, or to crack a joke. What you are doing is a real thing. What is happening in Ikemba is reality. The government of Ikemba is trying their best to make sure that Ikemba is the best. So we are asking for your support. Anywhere you see it very possible for you to support Ikemba State. Our deputy governor has said it all. Our governor has said it all. We are doing the work. We have the people to do the work, but we need your support. Okay, or okay, without money, there's nothing you can achieve. I don't know the area that you want to support Ikemba. Overall, in terms of agriculture, our agricultural department are doing wonderful well. Overall, in the areas of transportation, transportation department of Ikemba State, we are doing very, very well. We will still come on this night TV and announce it. Oh, ihe ndị anyị na-ekwu ụzọ anyị ga-esi were enweta small penny anyị ga-eji wee na support especially ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị. We have a very good class on ground, especially in the area of transportation. Okay, so ọ bụrụ ihe ka m ga-ekwu ebe ugbu a until anyị adịcha ready, then we will now come and announce it in the public. Mana ana m arịọ onye ọbụla in every area ị nwere ike to support Ikemba State. We are trying. The government of Ikemba is trying. All right? Manabahaka, we need your support. Don't be shy to call to support. Don't deny this call. Okay? Don't deny the call to come in and support Ikemba State. Whether you're from Ikemba State or from other states. Yeah? Or if I be more, please and please, I'm begging. I'm begging. And transportation partner of Ikemba, we also like people who will come to invest in the department when time comes. Maybe by month end or by next month, all our plans and arrangements will be concluded. And we now come online and tell you people what we have on ground. But we have a very good and a very massive thing plans on ground. That no one amado, upon a mother and this afternoon, they will week here, wait here can hear what's out, here can hear what's out transport of Ikemba. You will be entitled to gain life benefits the way we plan it. All right, and the transportation system of Biafra is far, far different from what we see today. Open the diagrams. Our Secretary of Transportation and his deputy. The diagram, the map, the template. If you watch all those things, you don't need anybody to tell you that Biafra will be the best country in the world Africa. You don't need anybody to tell you what we have on ground. So, my people, everybody now know why I better back. I na-aga egwuregwu egwu or crack your joke. Okay, even I now this afternoon is real, and whatever thing you are giving us, we're not going to fall on ground. Okay, so how to know? Don't be afraid to come in. Then if one more Ikemba na known Ikemba old Anambra State, okay, and Odumegu and Anambra. So you open easy from that old Anambra State and they follow Ikemba State. Stop hiding. Come out. This is time for you to come out. Come and join on what you are doing. All right? Our DPM is doing wonderfully well. Hell, only is not here doing easy. Only easy. I got doing easy. Okay, incredible. Bo a blind man, leading blind people. So our PM are Fuguzo. Our DPM are Fuguzo. For far. So he's reading the people on the follows. Okay, so come and join us in this wonderful assignment, in this divine assignment. At the end, you will never regret why you joined this movement. So I'm begging and everyone hearing my voice. Yes, okay, so could have noticed. I like people see we're it now, but at least the little that you can give, heaven will never forget about it. The little that you can give, call them what are where. Please, we need your support. Ikemba State, we need your support. We need support in every area. All right? Then we are prepared, as I said before. Maybe in 2 or 3 weeks to come, we still have opportunity. If we still have the another opportunity to come on this platform again, we will tell you people what we have prepared or what we have arranged in terms of transportation in Ikemba State. So, no one will mercy. Onye ọbụla ọ gwụrụ agụụ ka o tinye aka n'ime ya, my brother, my sister, you will never regret it in life. All right? And remember that I say there's no kobo you will give to Ikemba to support Ikemba State. We must give you the account of that kobo. That one is for sure. Whether you invest it in agriculture or invest it in our education system or in the education system, in any system you invest the money, you must see the result. You must see it working. Please, I'm begging all of us hearing my voice this afternoon. Ikemba State is out, and we are 100% out to support our DPM. So we need your support in every area you can. Support us. Support us. Support us. Our students need our support. Our students need food. They need medication. They need water to drink. They need clothes to put on. Okay? They need other gadget systems. Okay? Mmadụ ga-eme ya ndị Igbo so n'aka na-eme azụ ọgba nkụrụ ka Chukwu gozie onye ọbụla nọ ya na nọ anyị this afternoon. Ikemba State we are moving high. A sị m na Ikemba State bụ obodo bụ ebe ọ bụla ị nọ ịnụ ka a kpọrọ Ikemba State then you have to pause gee ntị ka ịnụ n'ụzọ ị na-ekwu maka Ikemba State. Ọmụma nche ite anyị na-ete mmanwa na-akwa aka oke mmanwụ pụta n'ọgbọ ụmụ mpịampịa mmanwụ. So we are moving on. I thank God today for the kind of governor and the deputy governor God have given to us. I know with the former one, I don't know where we are going today. But forward ever and backward never. Please and please, who's never hearing my voice this afternoon, we are begging. We need your support. In whichever way you can. Support us. And the heaven, only heaven will reward you. In Yeshua's name. Amen. Thank you so much, Mazikai, for this wonderful opportunity. I hit my mark.
Thank you so much, Nwachineke. Thank you. Ka ịkpọnite Chief Ejindo, over to you, Nwachineke, before information. Daru.
Yeah, and me somebody we call, so we call to complications. So I was saying we've been being lack, our people are being lack of knowledge, which is this too bad. Ndị na-ekwu ndị na-akpọ onye ndu ka anyị so nọ na ejeje ka ọ na-eje eje onye ndu ka anyị na-eso ma ọ na-ana ma ọ eje ya ka anyị ga-eso. It is unfortunate that they did not read his history very well. It's unfortunate that they did not follow him very well. Maybe they were following him in pictures, but they were not following Onyendu with a pen and paper, because Onyendu was telling us to get our pen and paper and write down everything he said because of future. When Onyendu was going around the world, talking to Biafrans around the world, and seeking some fund to form our security outfit. He looked for one, he failed. The government did not agree. The legitimized governors did not agree. He looked for one before he forcefully looked for ECN. We funded ECN. We paid for ECN. We Biafrans, some people retired from Nigerian government and joined ECN because we paid them, and their salary was good. Their salary was better than the zoo country. That's a part. As he was going, he was preaching. At the tail end, before he was kidnapped or captured, he made a statement which everybody did not know. But the jealous ones, there are the jealous ones among us that did not want to understand very well when he made his statement. When he was looking for 1,000 men, from 1,000 men to 100 men, from 100 men to what? 50 men, and nobody could not. Even the DOS, his DOS, those people surrounding him could not even come out to take up the struggle. Before he told a guy that was doing well, he gave him a slot. He gave him a slot, and that guy was who? Mazi Samekba. He said, follow this guy. This guy is doing a marvelous work. He's taking this what? He's taking this struggle in another dimension. His dimension has passed. His dimension might pass. That was then might pass. Take this, follow this guy, and he's taking this struggle in another dimension. As he's taking it from an Old Testament, which is Martin Zamnuzakano, to a New Testament. That was what he told all of us. And that was why he said, we should take paper and listen to his talks. Some people did so, some people did not do so. Maybe they feel that, and when okay, on that level, he was kidnapped. The DOS and those people around him, nobody talked for almost 1 month. Biafrans were lost. He just like we are in a wilderness. Nobody, no follower, no leader, nothing from everywhere. 1 month and the lawyers could not even talk. His followers will not even talk. The secretaries and everybody couldn't even talk. Where's Nnamdi Kanu? It is this young guy, follow this guy that is taking this advantage, that dictated what was happening. It was Mazi Sam Ekpa, His Excellency, that dictated what is happening. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been kidnapped. All his guys left. All the so-called idiot DOS left. Everybody. Nobody talked. They used their brothers. The brothers will not even talk. Either the brother, that time they were rumoring that his brother no. Nobody talked. It was him that started bombarding everybody. Bombarding the DOS, bombarding his family and his lawyers. He was the one that created everything. Before they started abusing him. Who are you? The people in Finland, who are you? Who are you? Oath. Did you swear oath? And somebody asked them, you swear oath, but you said you're leader. You took oath too. But you said you're this thing. Thereby your oath doesn't work. Yeah, oath is a fake oath. Okay, you took an oath and you leaked the itinerary of your leader. Itinerary has a plan to where he's going. He has itinerary. You leaked it. All of you leaked it. Thereby, so what's the oath all about? What are you swearing oath? When he was telling them those things in Finland, everybody drew back. So when he mentioned you took an oath, then you look at itinerary for your distance. Everybody went back. That oath did not say that oath again, because these guys have failed the oath before he took up. And when he took up, they started started forming his cabinet, doing everything. Tell JOS, come in if you want to come in. If you have anything in common, if you have anything to stop, come in. Let us fight this thing. That was why autopilot. That autopilot, do you know what that autopilot, where he came it? It was the DOS that mentioned autopilot that Samekpa is taking his way. Autopilot. Okay, Samekpa laughed. It's okay, yeah. Let us be called autopilot. That Samekpa is an autopilot, and we took up autopilot. When he was going, he was doing everything very fast. Samekpa was doing his things very fast, negotiating, doing everything. Let us get this in one by one, because he knows that one day he will enter too. Freedom fighters know when this thing is coming. Freedom fighters know when their end is coming. Just for a short time, they know. Before he came in, started doing everything, forming everything, negotiating, going with telephone call, doing everywhere, setting his records, setting his mandate, setting documents that they will use and put this Biafra on. Everybody were watching him. He selected his good ones, rejected the bad eggs. It is now the bad eggs that are now fighting him. They're not fighting somewhere. They're not fighting Samuel Ekpa, because they're fighting Nnamdi Kanu. Because Nnamdi said, let 100 men come out. They did not. 50 men came out. One person came out. It is Nnamdi Kanu they are fighting. Why should it be Samuel Ekpa? Why not choose another person from them? All of them that they do not, no face was showed. They have not showed their face for one day. Those who call their DOS, they have not showed their face for one day to Biafrans. Samekpa do everything, selected his cabinet, did everything. The most intelligent one, he selected the intelligent ones, and it is the intelligent ones that is holding our government, not all these illiterate stuff that fool around, both male and female. No, he did not work with them because they don't that they are nothing. Or equal time guy is just a picture. So what can you do? You can't even speak. You can't even make a good sentence. That time guy. Now they splitted back, splitted together, split everywhere. Now I draw our records back. He used the intelligent one for this Biafra distance. This is the intelligent one among them that is working. And this is the people that we bring Biafra. So my brethren, anybody here hearing me, come back. We have intelligent cabinets. Come over. That where you are going is nowhere. It can't lead you. Look at their saga. How many there are? What do they call it? The fall back. How many are there now? They fall back. There are 3 groups in the fall back. What are they doing? They can't even do anything. They cannot even make any move. So my brethren, wherever you are, we need people. Had it been we are together since the day November 29, 2024, and November 29, 2025, had it been all of you were there, we would have gone somewhere. At least the 40 state of Biafra will be equipped materially. So stop going round and round. Stop wasting your time, wasting your energy going round and round. Come into the United States of Biafra. We are there, we are there. But if you don't want to, you will hear the brunt in future. Because we are there, no going back. Mr. Kai, thank you very much for what you are doing, and continue doing what you are doing. Thank you. I was disappointed. I'm very, very disappointed in Ugo 427. This is the guy I respect. I don't know whether he received bribe or he did not receive bribe. Shame to him, because we're gonna deal with him. when this thing comes. All of them, we're gonna deal with them one by one. All of them. In short, they will run to the exile. But I don't know if they will come back, because it will be a very big shame to them. Thank you very much, Biafrans. Thank you very much, United States of Biafra, and thank you very much, United States State of Ikemba. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Nwachineke, Igbo Ife Ewuneri. Thank you for drawing us back to the history. God bless you. God bless you. Mazi Kai, are you still there?
I am here. I am here. Of course, I am here.
Okay, please. Information is around. So, Kaimaru, information is around.
Hey, my brother, Honorable, I just want to ask you a question. Like, I would like to know what you are doing so far to make sure that you reach out to Ikemba citizens abroad, home and away. I would like to know, do you mind to share it with us for your own department?
Very well, Kai. Very, very well. I'm a man of many discipline. How would I even call it? I'm a man that doesn't hide my feelings or hide my feelings. Yeah. In London here, Kent, where I'm living, we have an association called.
Sorry, is this the Chief Olise?
Yes, please. I thought it's me.
No, I'm talking about information minister.
Sorry. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Information, because I can see that you are the one. That's why I have to call. Information, are you here with us?
Yeah, I'm here. Please repeat your question. I didn't hear what you asked.
No, I just want to know what your department are doing at the moment to make sure that you pass, you connect to the embassies abroad. The efforts from your department. What are you guys doing to make sure that you pass this information, you connect to them and relate to them to make sure that they have access to you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this wonderful question. Before I go into the question announcements regarding Secretary for Education, they will be coming online tomorrow, being 16th of March 2026 by 7 p.m. Biafra time. So please, all Biafra, wherever you are, please kindly be part of that program. It's going to be hosted by myself, all right, and also, or maybe by Mouthpiece by himself, or maybe by Drake. It's either I host
on X.
It's either I host or I'm co-host.
Is it on X?
Yes, it's on X. It's on X.
Okay.
It's on X. So
all right,
that is the first announcement. Please, everybody, we need to, when we are talking about the government, de facto government, this is it. All right. This is Ekigoro Eke now. Every department is functioning. One day you will see the transportation secretary and his team will also come on live on the X, okay, and department by department, and also the state governments, each of the 40 state cabinet members will also be going to different social media, independent media, anywhere like at Biafra TV is doing, educating people and so on. So now back to the question you asked me, what our media department is doing to propagate the gospel of our state, to add the and to highlight the awareness of our state to the public. Currently right now we are doing wonderfully well by we are using every mechanism we can, because one thing about people, we just came. It's not up to, I think we're just heading to 1 year. All right. So when we assume office, this government assume office, we are putting things in place. I was able to make sure that we have our media, our state media official handles. We are on X, we are on Facebook, we are on YouTube too, and we are on TikTok, and we're also on Instagram and the other and other ones that we are going to have to. Then this will also help us to be promoting the states. Okay, that is the only way, because I found out that the only way you can be able to, get the attention of people is when you have your own private media, or when the government open their own media. So, but actually, most of people, they normally love those people that give them fake news, and all those people that propagate propaganda. They do cut and join news. They do all manner of things. That is where they like going. Where that at the end of the day they don't nothing, all the whole thing they have been doing. When they do not see all those promising stuff, at the end of the day they will feel demoralized. Okay, so our media department have a very strong structure from the federal. Like for instance, the only thing that we are passing through right now that is making us not to be that effective, or maybe is lack of personnel, right? We have the structure, the template from the federal and to the state. We have a template whereby we are going to be using to to send out information, or to maybe to update the public regarding our government. And as you all can see, it's only my states that are up doing in everything we are doing regarding the media stuff. No, across all the states. Like today, we are here is because of the media. All right, my governor, I begin to speak to him that he should begin to talk to other people so that we can be highlight. I know you through my deputy, someone that is because you are the first person that started co-host, that is viewing our program live. You can recall. So from there, we are also known to Ada Simon and other ones too. So sometimes when we are doing program, the reason why we go live or want people to go live, those all of us that are working under USBG, so that people will understand that yes, if there is any state of Ikemba or anybody from Kuma Anambra who are looking for a way to be part of the state, they can be able to. That's why essence of you people coming to join us in our life, in our sometimes um, home and abroad meeting, and also okay. So now the structures are there, but personalities that people that are going to work, like for me now, I am a deputy is one already know everything. So I cannot be here and be here and be here and be here and be here. So we need personnel from state citizens, even though you are not from state of Igan, but at least you can work. All right, we'll examine you, we'll make sure that you are fit to do the job before we now give it to you, so that we can be able to. I need somebody that will represent us in Facebook. We need someone that will represent us in TikTok. We need someone that will be there steady to be highlighting programs under the name State of Ikemba Media and Publicity TV News. Just as same thing I am doing since I was appointed by federal to be highlighting the works of the USBG government, and attending to any question anyone might have regarding USB government. So our space, our State of Ikemba Media and this thing has not been updating, because I cannot share myself into two. Just sometimes I will just
Yes, my brother,
I
I understand your effort and what you guys are doing. You are not only you, the entire cabinet from Ikemba are doing very well. And I admire the relationship and the love between the executive governor and her deputy, and all of you, the understanding that you guys have. Other states need to emulate it, but that is not withstanding. We must also give some advice if you can accept it, like you that is in communication. I don't know if you are the only one or you have other people. I don't know if you are in the homeland or you're outside the country. So I would like you to start, if it's possible for you, from time to time you do come on, whenever people are having live program on YouTube, you just appear and contribute and announce yourself, let them know who you are and what you represent. use the platform that moment, pass the information, and go. Okay, drop your contact or the contact from the communication from your department. Anybody that want to reach out to you, this is what you do. This is how to reach us. I can assure you that that will go a long way to also help the government, because information is what people need to, need to do the needful. Her Excellency cannot do it alone. Deputy cannot do it alone. Everybody from the like you are doing a very good work. Like, I'm not saying that you are not doing fine. You are doing, but I just want to advise you that you need to also pay a little attention on YouTube, so that, because our people are mainly on YouTube, I can assure you that, because we used to be on Facebook before, but due to censorship and their madness, because Nigerian government, corrupt them to the extent that even if you talk about Biafra, they will deal with you in terms of, they will not allow you, that your page will be, they will restrict everything you're putting out there. I was on my Facebook. I had almost 9,000 followers. Okay, I think in space of 3 months. But I woke up one morning to notice that my account is nowhere to be found. Then I advised myself that I would never open it again. That is why I only have Facebook group, which is not, I don't pay much attention. That one is just anybody can post anything there and go. That was almost 4,000 followers. Nobody knew that I'm the owner of that page. But for now, I want you to try your best to focus on YouTube a little bit, on, of course, /X. So nobody know me on Facebook, nobody know my group. I just want you to utilize this opportunity. Kenena is there, Ada Simon, so many people, I myself, many other people. Okay, Ray Biafra is there as well. So you can just pump up on that platform and just have mic and talk. Let them know you said that Ikemba people, that you are from Ikemba. Please, this is my contact. I am the one in charge of media and all that. Not that kind of thing. It will go a long way. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Regarding what you just said, I've been doing that because I sometimes, our people, they are kind of desensitized. They pick people they want to listen to, even like Biafra, what is it? Like what is it? Somebody lion something. Okay,
Humble
I have
lion,
this something.
humble lion.
Humble lion. Sometimes when you are telling people about, it will be like as if you're begging them to, make you to be part of the program or something like that. So that's why all these things made me. I now decided that I want to work and build our own media. What it will take me is money to pay for anybody, pay for all these people that promote page. They promote my page, and when they promote it, even if it's as time goes on, the people will begin to understand what I'm doing. Because our people are not cooperating. It doesn't cooperate. Because if they are cooperating, I have told them time to time that all the things that we need to have a joint media programs. We need to be having joint media programs whereby everybody will hook to that program, so that
Don't
it will
don't
not have
don't, don't be discouraged. A journey of a that's my start with one step. If you begin to count on discouragement, you will not go anywhere. I could remember even when when my platform was 9,000 subscribers. Yeah, then I appeared on Maazị Akwa's platform during the self referendum. So somebody called him on his platform, was asking about the link, how to vote. I copied that link and dropped it on comment section. He deleted it instantly. You know why? To him, that if you read that message, he read the first one message before my own and the one after my own. He jumped my own. I purposely post again to confirm if he's doing it on purpose or maybe something is wrong. He did it again. Then I said, okay, that I now understand why he did that. Because to some of them, the way some of us reason is very, very backward. He actually believed that reading my comment is announcing my platform to his own platform. You understand? So some people are like that. But Humble Lion, I don't think Humble Lion is that kind of person. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think he's that kind of person. Maybe maybe you misunderstand him, or maybe there must be something, maybe miscommunication somewhere between you and him. So but that shouldn't discourage you. You understand? You can just come just like a normal person. You want to contribute on the topic, have the mic and talk. Let them know that you are so person and you would like to advise people from Ikemba State or any genuine Biafran that would like to support Ikemba State, that you can reach out to us with so number and so things. I can assure you that, because I know that the Ikemba people, they have a lot of top. I'm telling you, I know few of them. I know few of them. They have very powerful personality that they don't want to. I don't know their problem anyway, but time will tell. So just do that and see what will happen. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will just do that. I will do just that. So, let me just chip in one or two things before I will now take off, because very soon now I'm having program by 4 p.m. where
No,
I will
we
be
actually we
highlighting
are
the.
winding down in a few minutes from now, because me also I have a program that's
So
coming up later.
while I will be highlighting the program concerning our PM upcoming case, and then also I will also be explain the fraudulent attitude of the BCG, individual that is operating without a document of any name. I don't know where they obtain the document that they are using to operate as a Biafra government in SI. I don't know if they're operating with the document of the one of Ogenke. Abi the one they have manufactured on their own, or under which constituents are they operating with? Their name has not been registered.
Ndị a ji akwụkwọ mango ka fa ji achụ agitation.
Biko nụ ụmụ Chineke, I'm not cutting off short. Anyị nwekwa meeting ọzọ tata. I'm trying to round up and they're calling me for meeting ụmụnna na ụmụnne, all those kind things. So, biko ka mee ya ka ọ dị brief.
Yes, I am just rounding up my listing. So please, preference over. The only thing I want to add to what I have been said here already is that we don't wait until we achieve unity among us before you do anything you're supposed to do. We are here as a cabinet members of State of Ikemba, media and governments. And then one thing I want to tell you all is that wherever you are hearing my voice, at least you have seen those that is telling you that we don't have a de facto government. You can see that yes, there's actual de facto government in every state. So that means they are lying to you. And secondly, what you should know or take home with all we are said here today is that we need your support. We need your support. Like today, this Sunday, is the day we normally seek for support. So thank God that it is aligned with today's program. So you can contact our governor, contact Kai. From Kai can reach out to us, whatever you have to give us, because the slogan on the now was a struggle of, it's no longer struggle of noise. It is a struggle of systematically reasoning and IQ. If you're not smart, if you're not educated, if you are mediocre, maybe an illiterate, that means this struggle will kick you out. It's an intelligent smartness movement right now. It's no longer a program of show us your power be. And now we get here, now we did this, like Abel and so on. The educated people have come into this program, and you too have to learn, and you send yourself to learn so many things. Okay, so in all, I applaud to each and every one of you to do the needful. There's no way we can do this. The federal is the state is the strength of the federal. The counties is the strength of the states, because we are operating a confederated state. It's no longer a central command. No, both everything. You have the power to control whatever is in your state. No any tribe will come to your state and say, I'm going to promote, except you employ such tribe to work for you, and they will work. When you take your work from them, they will go. So thank you very much. for what you do. Thank you very much for standing with us and continue to stand in. Enough of noise is too much. If you are not being tired of, for this is almost 15 years right now. If you are not yet tired of every day your online content every day, then that means you don't have a future. That you are not you don't mean well for yourself. So if you truly want to see what we are talking about, or maybe see the effectiveness of this government, all you need to do is 100 naira. And there was a time I made this report. I said, if we can get 1 million people together, this 1
Nwa
million,
Chineke,
we
nwa
can be
Chineke,
giving the
round
government
up. Ụmụkwa
100
ndị na-akwụrụ n'okwu.
My brother,
Na-agago.
you have done enough, my brother. Thank you so much for your contribution. And somebody is asking about your YouTube channel. Do you have any? Mazi C Global.
Yes. You can follow
What is your
us
YouTube
on
channel?
Biafra Giant. Yes, you can follow us on Biafra Giant Top or State of Ikemba, Soy Media
Is it on
TV
YouTube?
News. Yes, all of them is on YouTube.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Alright.
So the person that is asking that question, all you need to search on YouTube, according to him, is what you are going to see on your screen. I think I have it here. Where is it? Okay. Her Excellency, just continue. Let me look at that.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Because, okay, are you still talking information?
No, go ahead.
Maazị Ikomeni, amụrụ ọnụ m na ebe ị nọ kịta netwọk ekweghị ikwu okwu because we are rounding up ka anyị wee nwee ike ịbịakwa meeting anyị nwere na mgbede taa. Biko. Maazị Ikomeni, can you hear me?
Yeah, abatakwana m.
Just introduce your portfolio. Just buy your okwu. Just you have 5 minutes to talk to us, then we close. Just 5 minutes. Don't go more than that, please. Thank you.
Ebe netwọk rapụ m ka m randuzie ọkwụrụ dị ife a na-eme na this meeting mpụọ mbata. I can hear you loud and clear. Hello, can you hear me?
Go on now. Just where?
Okay. Okay, ọ kakwụzi mma ka asụsụ eluigwe a ga-hold all government of Ikemba on the security matters. Okay, yeah. Ebe ọ bụ na announce like onwe movement nje cheke ụnyaa ebe a ga-akọ ife. And before I abanye there, I need something like 5 million to start because I ga esi pipe na stream dịkwu n'akụkụ ebe ahụ. Ọka kampani na-aga international egbe eke kwụsie ife a kịta mmadụ atinyela anyị ego ewe move this thing. So now if I need Lego to move this thing because so if I na agbalụ mbọ niile a maka ụmụ akwụkwọ ndị nọ na ife na kafa nwe ife fa na-eri because onye agụụ na-agụ adị ebu egbe ka m kwudebe here ka arandwa up onye mazi ife ọ ga-emezi ome. Okay, shalom. Yeah. Ekwusigo m.
Ndewo nwa Chineke igbo ife ewu na-eri nnọọ. Biko Maazị Kai, are you still there?
I am here, of course. I am here. Listen.
Okay, so anyị nọzi na submission. Biko ka anyị submit na ya try gumuchukwu. Let's start with Commissioner for Land, Chief Ejindo. Make your submission. Ndewo nwa Chineke. Chief Edindu, use 2 minutes to make your submission. Submission, please. We are rounding up.
Yeah, we are building we are building a nation, and everybody should rally around and put all this in on deck. We should come in, contribute, and let the information list communicating to people to come in, and let's put hand together and make our nation great. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Kai. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Deputy, your submission, nwa Chineke, deputy, your submission. Mana Maazị Kai, Ocean Master m fụ ebe a, ị ka akpọ ya na phone ka ọ jụọ ya ụjụ.
Also, must have mama boy join. All the only talk problem in our. Our man, all my boy join. I can know ya. So my network get a year so. So yeah, man. What if maybe not next time I can my way no get. My way ahead of time. Whatever they do.
Okay, so what the deputy, your submission, nwa Chineke, deputy.
All the David are not about. We can't hear anything.
Anọ m ya o, anọkwa m ya o. Deputy Kwusigo. Governor. My governor.
I think email your submission. Make submission.
Okay, okay, thank you very much, my governor. And as many that have spoken, I'm just having discussion with some people why I am listening to us. Yeah. Wonderful people of Ikemba State. There's a lot of assignments on our table. We cannot reveal everything on the air. We need you, we need your support. We are just trying to be somehow, you know, our plans need not. But this government of Ikemba State, with a lot of plans on our table, and if I we are going to do it together. And you are going to be happy doing it with us. Much, much happy. Ikemba with the people. And the people that we have now, but they do capable of doing it. Starting from the governor, deputy governor, SSG, information commissioner, and even our commissioner for land and urban development that you are seeing here. Many of them, if they come here, you will not know that Ikemba people, Ikemba State has people. And there are other vacancies, just like as my governor said. The reason why even I had the achilo money because of na flow mmadụ. Mba, anyị na-agba mbọ wee chịta ndị anyị ma na anyị na ha ga-adị ndị ga-enye anyị result. Ịbịa in our elite squad, by God grace, Ikemba has the best. The Ikemba has the best elite squad. If I need the level support, I have a lot of plans. I certainly, you make sure. No, all open and everything is and then I made you of it's like they waited the mother with the best. Like today now, I got around the air with our home and abroad meeting, making sure that everything na government and even at the meeting in Fukuo that Ikemba State abroad just kind of what this government need is your support. What this government need is to stand by us, the Ikemba State government. and our deputy PM knows everything we are doing. Ikemba number one. In all the whole state, our deputy PM is proud of us. And somebody like me want to make sure that I not disappoint our leader, His Excellency, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Somebody like me, like when our Prime Minister comes out, he will be proud of me. And that is our watch, the Ikemba State Commissioners. Oh no, Buna. Our leaders here, Gavaputa. We are proud of us. Our code of conduct. Not only our leaders and the Chukwu Kabiama himself. And all right, guy Rutagodu of the Noluzie, no the Niru, our children will be proud of us. That is the code of my governor. And that is what he passed to every one of us. Above all, what we are talking about, being submissive to the federal. We can never challenge the government. No matter what they do, we are loyal to the government. And when we go to leadership meeting, we always table this one is not good, this one is not good. But for us to begin to come out to bring our government down, just like how some people will go outside there talking bad of the government, speaking against our leaders and my Biafrans, let us cease from such thing. Never you encourage people near onye ftokoto ngoto orabeze, our deputy prime minister, Her Excellency. Onye ndị nke napụtara si ebe a na-akpọ our prime minister ekperima n'ebe a na-akọtọ ndị international community, international world na-afụwa as our prime minister. Onye si gị n'ọnya na ọ na-abịa zọ Biafra, ọ na-achọ Biafra, ọ na-achọ freedom, ọ na-agba nwanne ya mgba. What is in this freedom? If you know that the person had there enough, by them, yes, I can remember when we were in myself, when Wazirike began to mess up. Our leader, His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, left. When Wazirike turned it to become a criminal entity, everybody on our job then, we are paying 5,000 naira monthly due. Mabokolo na bokolo nwanye ego na-eje ma Aba, na-eje ma Owerri. Ebe ọ na ga-eje meeting, anyị ga-achatara moto. Ọkwa gị ga-akwụkwọ moto. Ma lukwe dị akwụkwọ your monthly due 5,000. Then for 5,000, I'm telling you nothing but the truth. If I was again na radio, or see na-ege kojo emenka. Very poor man, I don't care. That is what we are seeing in this our struggle. So, our leader then the only time we know. No, I believe fact and well, zero we was really to be a bomber to bomber. All this is really DOS in a meziketa. Man, ọ na iburu onye nwere akọnuche dịka a good Biafra, maka a good Biafra nwere mmụọ na-achị anyị, mmụọ amamife. Ịnọ nnenye anyị, ị ga-ama onye na-agwa gị the truth. Ị ga-ama onye na-agwa gị the truth. Va chụtara onye ndu anyị, chụrụ dị onye ndu anyị wee ṅụkwa iyi n'ụwa ya na ọma nkwuzikwa okwu Biafra. Ọ Chukwu kabịa ma wee kpọọ onye oku. O mebie ka onye arụ na-adụrọzi. If you ever fully on a good IBO Biafra, on a in Biafra. I'm a little Jolote Uchemefo. Mabune about the story, how we got to Uchemefo to this struggle, and many people. So all these things, Orabia with the leading of the Chukwu Biama, our PM came on board. Oman with the spirit. And our PM was saying, Jenny follow ya. And the PM goes, the PM who solo gate ya. In case, ya gun only for men in Anolo for wanting to go to Opota. My dear wonderful people. mana o nwere ndị wu ndị ọchọgonoko ọchasị gbute ọchaghị esi gbute ọ ndị a bụ ndị ya gafere wa na-achụ ndị chọrọ ịrụ ọrụ wa na-achụ ndị niile Chukwuka bịa mkpọrọ n'ọrụ aka Chidoke gbuo maka na a na-end the way ha si agba nzama iwe a chọrọ wetu a ga-esi wee na-agba nzama na njem a mana obigo we have gotten Biafra. Ibe anyị na-achọ dịkịta abụ ka anyị fiche ana anyị nọ na the era of cleansing. I know the errand of cleansing. I know the errands of making sure that the zoo is no longer in our land. Just like the way the children of Israel, when they step into the Canaan land, they make sure that they chase away the people that will come and say they should not be in that land. And even Caleb will say, give me that mountain. Even in his age of 80 years, he still said, give me that mountain. I will go and occupy it. I will pursue the Amaleks that are there and occupy the land. There are zoos in our land. We have come home. We have gotten our Biafra. But all people na Juma and and the Maria saying I cannot join Biafra. See what they do. Referendum. See what they are. Oburi anya no do referendum. Anya na dey achọ the Biafra. Anya achọta gi. Even no the cleansing. Onwere ndị meeting na our land that are not supposed to be there. And our deputy PM said we have written to them to vacate. Pụọ na ụnụ anyị anya sọrọ pụọ na bụ unu nọ na be anyị ka anyị so unu pụọ ka anyị dozie ebe anyị etu anyị abatago ka anyị bịa dozie nye ma wee chọbadie ka mee anyị ife edi Mesaya gbara anyị n'akwụkwọ nsọ onye kọrọ ọrụ ugbo wee tinye ndị ọrụ o wee ruzie mgbe iwe iwu ugbo wee zugo ndị ya eje hotel iwu ugbo jiri onye nke gbuo jiri onye nke gbuo jiri onye nke tiche enyi iwe chụpịa o wee chọke ka anyị zigezie nwa m na afọ na nwa m na a ga-enye ya respect mara na ndị a bụgoro ndị demonized wee kpọrọ nwa ya wee tigbuo onye si na onye ga-abụ dị ka iwe ka akụnụba ka iwe ka na akụnụba gịnị wu the problem ka e wee ribe ego ụmụ Biafra Biafra hey we are looking for Biafra hey we are looking for Biafra bịa na dị dị enye ego basịghị Nnamdị Kanụ ukwu onye ndu anyị Nnamdị Kanụ is another savior ka iwe wetara ibe ego ụmụnne m wetirete na obi unu nnukwana na Nnamdị Kanụ unu ekpere ego na-ekponyefa. They are not seeking for Biafra. We have gotten Biafra. Biafra have been declared. Come and support the cleansing. Come and support ndị chọrọ cleansing out. Make sure na ị ga-anata bịa nọziri na n'obodo gị ahụ. O nwere ndị chọrọ idoziri gị ahụ. O nwere ndị volunteer themselves to remove this idiot that is our land that refuse to go. We are going to do it by the special grace of Chukwuka bịa mọnọ n'eluigwe. But we need your support. May Chukwuka bịa bless you as you heal to this our voice. Honorable Kai, ị ga-adị ndụ solu wee gbaa egwu n'ala Biafra. You will see it. You have seen it already. You are going to see it.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Because we are rushing to focus on another thing. We have other program coming up, and Her Excellency also have another meeting to attend according to what she said. You have done well, my brother. God bless you, His Excellency. I really appreciate. God bless you. Okay, Her Excellency, let's hear from you.
Okay, thank you so much. Anyị achịkọtawago na abụ ga-ebego na mgbawu onye ọbụla kwu na-ekwuteke akeneke nchukwu apụ ihe netwọk na-apịa anyị pịa ma Chineke ma ebele everybody bata anụ mgbe was able to let his voice heard onye ọ na-kwu ka o si wee dị ya and anyị kwutecha anyị ọfụma a sị na ntị na-anụ ife abụrụ mgbe ọ larụ ka okpu ata even as little as it is ọ na ọ ga-anụrịrị ihe ebelieve na okwu anyị kwu na ọbago ụmụnne anyị ntị ebe na ebe onye ọbụla nọ oge a bụ oge eji agbakọta aka ọnụ wee chọọ ihe na-ata arụ maka ọkwa ma ndị a na-abịa dịka esi wee fụ ya a na-abịakwa onye na-eme na ọgbasara maka na o mebeghị nwekwanụ ndị anyị ma o mego so many people and ọ bụrụ ihe dị mma ka ọ bụ so anyị need iteta ụra n'ebe anyị na-ararụ ụra tinye aka anyị ịgba mbọ fụ na ihe anyị need iji wee protect be anyị na ihe iweta anyị otu anyị nwee ike otu ọ bụla inwe ike ịsọpọtụ anyị bata ọ bụrụ na ịchọrọ iji aka gị jee weta dị ife niile nke na-ibi jiri aka gị weta ya anyị accept ya anyị asịrị iwu na ya enye anyị ego n'aka inyekwana anyị ga-ewe iweta aka gị wetakwana ihe n'ibi anyị ga-ana ya accept So biko ụmụnne m gbakọtanụ ka Ikemba ka anyị bụrụ ihe anyị bụ maka na anyị bụ strength of the nation and ọ bụrụkwanụ ofu isi na-eme ọfịa anyị abụrụ Chukwu Osochukwu bụ ihe wu ofu isi na-eme ọfịa ya bụ mmadụ. So no anyụkọ mamịrị ọnụ ọgbọ ụfụfụ ntụtụ ka eji atụtụ ju nnukwu azụ kpata nnukwu nkụ obere azụ akpata obere nkụ azụ otu a na-aga bunum onye bụrụ onye ibie onye ya na nwanne ya ọnụrụbe nwanne agba n'ọsọ. So ndị Ikemba steeti ana m ekene unu citizen of United States of Biafra ana m ekene unu na-ekenekwa ndị isi anyị niile mee ka na ụmụnne m niile ka anyị rọga gbakọta n'ọnọdụ a na nwanne anyị nwoke nabatakwa na anyị dịka nwanne ọkwanye ya ka a sị na nwanne nọ na mba anyị ncha bụkwa n'ofu. So anyị na-ekene onye ọbụla ndewo nụrụ nne we are waiting to hear from our people and anyị nwekwa meeting anyị nwekwa na mgbede tata. Onye need my contact will be given to them from Kai my contact onye need kwa nke deputy ọ ga-enye ka onye ọbụla need for you to make sure na ịbata ndị anyị na-eme. Please we need us to come together to build our state to be the best. Ndewo nụrụ nne daru nụrụ nne. God bless us all for all we do. I yield my mic. Daru. You have to give us our jingle again before we leave. God bless you too much. Thank you.
Card na phone and card you. Chief Olisekwono Okuchigo Kokuya.
Yes, onye go submission. Yes.
Okay. Let's go there. Let's start with one of the jingle.
On November 29, 2015, our people declared Ikemba State in the United States of Biafra. Mumuna, listen. Our roads are broken, schools without roofs, so farms they suffer, no more than two, so but now we stand to declare our state. Equitable funds come direct, no debate. Clean water flow, light for every home. Clinics rise up, youth skills we own. Investors call jobs right here, we create Ikemba development, no more wait. Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise. One people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise, from need to victory. Raise your voices high, build our future bright. State of Ikemba, we claim our right. Our own steakhouse leaders we know, from hills of Obochiogu to Ezu rivers flow. With Obizi as capital, proud and strong. Managed budget well, make every Ikemba belong. Transparency now, public voice they loud. Service charges, fair safety in the crowd. Local men and women understand the land. Roads, schools, peace, all in our hand. All in our hand. All in our hand. Oh, Agini. Ametiti amofe anani ezu dunu anauzu ide north ide south to obizi o family ogboki ogushine okotu umuri umuowele all divine, each county, each district unique and bold, resources and talents, our story told. Oh, Ikemba rise, Ikemba rise. One people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise. Turn promise to reality.
right, so my people, we have come to an end of this program, and I have to appreciate the governor, the deputy, and all her executive. I really appreciate all of you for making our time to be here today. And if you're going to watch the video later, please, you expect to do the needful. Everything that we discuss here is just to encourage you to know what to do and how to go about it. So, like our essence said, so you should know what you're supposed to do. And we will come back again, maybe anytime soon, and the governor will give us information on that. Please make sure you like the video before you go and subscribe. See you again. God bless you. Thank you, Her Excellency. Thank you all of you here on the studio, and Chief Odise. God bless you for being here today. And Deputy Governor, I really appreciate all of you. See you again. God bless you. Bye bye for now. Take care.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ikemba State in the United States of Biafra. Amuna, listen. Our roads are broken, schools without roofs, farms they suffer, no modern tools. But now we stand, declare our state. Equitable farms come direct, no debate. Clean water flow, light for every home. Clinics rise up, youth skills we own. Investors call, jobs right here we create. Ikemba development, no more way. No more way. Ikemba rise, one people, one purpose, one destiny. Ikemba rise, from need to victory. Raise your voices high, build a future bright. State of Ikemba, we claim our rights. Our own state house, leaders we know, from hills of Obokyogu to Ezu rivers flow. With Obisi as capital, proud and strong. Manage budget well, make every Ikemba belong. Transparency now, public voice they loud. Service charges fair, safety in the crowd. Local men and women understand the land. Road, schools, peace, all in our hands. All in our hands. Amofe, Anani, Ezu, Dunu, Anaus, Ideno, Idesa, Tu, Obisi, O family, Oboki, Ogu shine, Ogotu, Umuri,